Welcome back to Trading Show. My name is David. Very quiet and observant. Today, I'm not very quiet. I'm going to be very loud today. I'm joined by Frank. Also joined by the Zen Master, JP.
Hey, good morning. I'm the Zen Master JP, the radio voice of crypto.
Wow.
What's going on?
Wowzers.
Wow. We also have, working his way back up to Big Rob, Medium Rob. What's up, man?
Medium Rob, huh?
Yeah.
No me gusta.
Chart Picasso.
Yeah.
You got to read your title, man.
Chart Picasso?
Yeah.
That's right.
Welcome back, Big Rob.
Gentlemen, bull market's back.
Ow.
It's a joke. It's not back.
It is
Nice.
back.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
We're at 64.8. We're
Wow.
bottoms in.
Talk to me when we're at 95K.
You know, I brought it up yesterday, and we were talking about the consolidation that we've seen. Typical consolidation you would get from a end of a bear market.
Oh.
Right. And so look at the weekly. You know, let me pull up BTC. Let's get rid of the perp one. Go to Bitstamp. They got a nice long old chart here. Go back. History speaks to me. I'm like a Bitcoin fossil. I'm just gonna shut up.
Bitcoin fossil. Nice. Yeah. And then you were going to say AIN something?
I don't know, man. You know what?
I wish we would have finished that.
How do I get rid of my spider lines?
You right click on the chart and then you remove the drawings or remove indicators. Don't remove indicators, remove the drawings.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right, we can end the show now.
We're done.
Thank you everyone for tuning in. Well, JP will be back.
Hope you appreciate the education
I lost my mic arm.
and entertainment. Oh, no. Oh,
I hate those
Cold
microphones
red.
with a passion. There we go. All right, he's back. See what I'm saying? Like your medium Rob, we got to work our way back up to Big Rob. That was not a Big Rob move right there.
All right.
It was a medium Rob move.
So, okay. All right. So what I was saying is that you get this consolidation out. So this here is 2021 bull market, right here, and you get a lot of these overextended bear flags that bring you into. You know what? Let's look at the daily. Actually, daily is going to make a little bit more sense. You can kind of see the candles, and so you know I genuinely think that we may be in a scenario where bull market is coming to an end. Okay. How do I turn off marker cipher A?
Just go to your top left.
Where's that? Top left.
The little arrow that says 6 on the bottom below the cell number. You see where it says cell 64705? Go down. Below. Click
Right
that.
there, right
and then
There it is.
go down to market cipher A on the bottom.
eyeball. There you go.
No, you just turn it on. No, you have 2 market cipher A's. Damn, he's got 2 market ciphers. No, go to the one on the very bottom. You have another one.
Oh. Double A?
Yeah.
Double A like the Energizer. All right. So anyways, typical bear market, you do these, right? Typical bottom side, a lot of bear flags, bear flag. But the thing to keep an eye out for is that these bear flags tend to be they tend to be aggressive, right? And so look at the top here on the way down from what was this? This was 64,000. So, you get these like sharp bounces, right? On the micro, on the macro, you're getting these. So just your typical bear flags. But then you get this. Now this did break to the downside. However, that was the last drop. And then you get this just sideways consolidation. There's just not a lot of downside sell pressure, right? Just the buyers are stepping in. They're saying, hey, 18,000 or whatever it is. This is where we're happy buying. We don't care. And then you consolidate. You did get another spill off here, But ultimately, you stop seeing the structure where you're making bear flags or you're seeing volatility and bouncing up. You're not seeing much. All you're doing is seeing a lot of sideways consolidation. And this is on the macro. And then you go back and you look. So that was 2024. You go back and you look here again and you got the same structure. And this is the 2019 market, bull market. And so you stop getting these bear flags here, these large price moves, and then you just flatten out. You get one more flush, but either way, it's all sideways consolidation. You go back one more time. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. I don't want to make this show all about that. But I'm just trying to explain to you that once the bear flags stop and you get these sideways consolidations, that it indicates that the buyers are ready to step in and buy the floor up. And then that sets the bottom. And so we've seen this time and time again, cycle and cycle again. We always say like, oh, this cycle's different, but it keeps playing out, bro. Right? People are like, well, let's not pay attention to 4-year cycle. It played out. It looks like the damn same. All of these damn tops look the same. And here we are again. And now here we are. Sideways consolidation. If it plays out like the other ones, maybe we dump and do another sideways consolidation and out. Or maybe that's it. Maybe this is it. Maybe we just sideways consolidate and just get out of here. So all jokes aside, bro, I do think the bottom is in. Is where I'm getting at.
Why'd you turn redneck and get mad all of a sudden?
Because it's what I do, man. I'm loud spoken.
I'm saying the bottom's in, damn it. I don't agree with him. I don't think the bottom's in, but what do you think? Do you think the bottom's in?
Now, nothing's set in stone, but
yeah.
I'm just saying that
obviously.
I feel confident. I feel
up.
confident. Bottom is in. I'll put it that way.
Okay. Let's do a poll. Is the Bitcoin bottom
Good idea.
in? I say no. Rob thinks yes.
I'm saying maybe.
Maybe. Of course you say maybe.
I'm monkish. It's possible, but I can't. I'm not courageous and bold enough to say that. Absolutely not.
I mean, okay, which way do you lean?
Which way do I lean?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we're closer to a bottom than a top. I would say that, based on the macro.
Well, obviously.
So, I mean, if you go by that.
But do you think that $59,000 is this cycle's bottom?
I don't know. I don't know, my friend. I don't know.
You're no fun playing.
And I won't be pressured into coming up with one. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
I must remain open, man.
Well, yeah, we're not asking you. I'm not asking you to like say with definitively, but if you were to make
I have a second mortgage out on my house on this move. Am I good?
I would say this, man. We don't have too much more time until, the theoretical end of the bear market.
There it is.
I mean,
JP agreed with me.
What is it supposed to be over? October? You know what I mean?
Today is over.
We're pretty close to October, I would say, man. Another month? One more month of pain? I mean, and that could give us one more bottom, even just one more month, right? I would say we're close to a bottom if we're not at a bottom. Yeah. What do you think, folks? We got a poll out there. What do you think?
Right now, it's 68% do not believe the bottom is in. To me, I really don't care. I'll be honest. It doesn't bother me. And the reason it doesn't bother me is because the projects that I'm allocated to, I believe they have staying power. I believe that even if the bottom is not in and there's more downside, that they will bounce back. So I don't care.
Okay.
I really don't. If it continues to go down, I'll add to my spot bags on the projects I'm really excited about. Maybe I'll get a better entry on a project I've been eyeing that I haven't really gotten into, Hyperliquid. And we'll make money trading on the way down. If the bottom is in, cool, man. My spot bags grow. We can start longing everything. That's the beauty of it. Who cares? If you have a long enough time horizon and you're in solid projects that you aren't nervous about, like you're not an ADA, good job. If you're not holding Polkadot, great job. If you're holding those projects, I'd be worried.
How about Sweet? Am I okay?
SWI, I think you're okay. Yeah. SWI, Solana, Hyperliquid, you're okay. Tau, you're okay. Venice, you're okay.
Cash Cat.
Cash Cat, you're probably maybe okay. That might be well. It's like I think it'll be like the number one meme, the OG meme on Robinhood chain. And if you think Robinhood's going to be around the crypto space for a while, then I think you'll be fine.
Okay.
But yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. We'll send it over to you for a top-down, hopefully a decisive top-down analysis.
David, man, I can't.
Very much.
I don't know my damn password to log into.
That's how long the man's been gone. He forgot his password.
That's why I need your account, bro.
Yeah, let him trade with your account again.
Oh, hold on. I tried one of my 17 passwords I got stored.
So long, I forgot my password.
Oh, God.
I'm logging in, man. See, you thought I just wanted to trade on your account just for fun, which I kind of did.
At least win. I know you did because I said, I texted him. I said, "Are you trading on my account?" He's like, "My bad." And then he puts another trade in. Then he puts a Bitcoin trade in. I'm like, "Yo, what are you doing?" I'm like, "All right, well, let's see if he makes money."
I was revenge trading. I was trying to get back
on someone else's account.
Yeah, I'm not gonna revenge trade on my own. That's stupid.
You know what? I'll be honest, man. If it was anyone else, I'd be more upset. But me and Rob have spent so much of each other's money. It's just not even funny. So, anyways,
can I spend more of your money?
No, absolutely not.
You guys spoil each other.
No, but
my Pookie Wookie likes all the finer things in life.
No, that's you. You're the bougie one, not me.
Why are you not wearing headphones? Why me and JP wearing headphones?
Man. I got greasy hair, bro. I'm Italian. Forgot about it.
You got greasy hair?
I don't know, probably. I'm Armenian, bro.
Bro, you shampoo.
I have a nice head of hair, actually.
Shampoo will cut the grease out,
we all have a nice head of hair. Do we all have nice? You kind of balding on the top a little bit, like a bird's eye view. You look a little.
Oh no!
Yeah, a little thin there.
No, it's the gel, man. It clumps it up, and it doesn't look as thick.
Bro, look at, I got all my hair
on Nolan. Look at mine.
Yeah.
JP, we never see his hair because he always wears a hat.
Yeah.
But I'm sure it's a great head of hair.
I wonder if JP
just know it's there.
I wonder if he takes his hat off and it's just bald.
No.
What do you mean?
Is it?
What do you mean?
Show us the hair.
Am I just bald now?
Show us the head.
No, he did the show without a hat on for like.
Oh, he did?
First 2 months.
I can't now, man. It's stuck there. I'm like a character, like a cartoon character.
Party.
You can't just remove the hat after a while.
It'd be like removing cells from your body.
Exactly. I don't even know if it comes off anymore, man.
Okay. Anyways, what are we doing here?
What are we doing? I don't know.
Top-down analysis. He keeps interrupting about his passwords.
Yeah, I don't know.
So I'll send it over to you for the.
All right, let's do it. Let's do the top-down analysis on Bitcoin. But first, Alora, please make it Zen for me. Yes.
Damn. Oh shit.
That's right. Inhale a clarity, please. Clarity, a new vision, opportunity. Exhale, any anxiety, any baggage from yesterday, any clappages from yesterday. All right, but right now we got with fresh eyes and a fresh outlook, look at the weekly time frame. Let's do it. And can I get an amen in the congregation to anyone with me out there who wants to look at this chart with fresh eyes? Here we go, the weekly time frame. We have ourselves a green candle at the moment. We're still early in the week. Is it Tuesday? It's Tuesday, right? Many more days left in this week. 5 days and 8 hours left. We're currently above the 200 MA. All right, that makes me bullish. When we're below it, I'm bearish. You see how we've been back and forth. That 9 MA did give us the bearish cross. The 21 is still creeping and prowling in the background. All right, that may eventually give us a death cross to bring price lower potentially, unless we get a mega push up. And what better setup to get a mega push up than lower lows on the weekly, right? A downtrend that is extended. Anyone that knows the way I trade, I love a good extended trend. The trend is extended to the downside on the weekly. And we're at support, not resistance. I'll say that again. We're at support, not resistance. I believe in longing every major support level, as well as I believe in shorting every resistance level. And while we have this lower low on price, we have the higher low on momentum still. The weekly bullish divergence is still there, and a major factor that could send price soaring to the next major resistance. Based on a weekly time frame, that would be like 68.8. Locally, when we go to the daily, you'll see it's 6.7. All right, let's go ahead and remove these drawings. Yeah, 6.7. Here we go. A daily time frame. Here we go. Daily time frame. Daily candle. Let me go ahead and strike this down. And in fact, do we have our timer set? Hey, Siri. Set an alarm for 10 a.m. and 11 a.m.
Your 10 a.m. alarm is already on.
All right, well, that was rude. Did you just turn it on or was it on before? And how about the 11 a.m. alarm? Can you set the 11 a.m. alarm, please, Siri? And no answer. All right, you're fired. All right, that's why I like Clappy better.
I feel like you need to hang out with more human people. I came back and you just been chilling with the AI bots, bro. We was doing the show yesterday, and next thing I know, he got Grok's AI doing twerking or something. She was.
Now there was literally yeah, we met. So we got a new assistant
Look,
now.
man, I brought a card game, man. Afterwards, we're gonna bond us and all the humans. We're gonna take a little box. I'm gonna put all of our phones in the box, and then we're gonna lock up the box for a couple hours.
Yesterday was an interesting episode. You might want to clip that episode. Yeah, we did meet Clapperella. Yeah, she named herself a Clapperella. And she said she was she had motion, right? She had motion like a stripper on a Friday night or something like that.
Yeah. She said she was twerking or something like that.
Okay.
And then you had this weird grin on your face. He was like somebody just offered you a lap dance for free, and I was just like, hold up.
But anyway, yeah, she was helpful. I don't know. We have that set up. We'll talk about that later. All right. But Bitcoin daily time frame, guys, we had a very, very big bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame.
Big bullish,
big body.
Can I really quick? Are you still in a hyperliquid trade?
Let me check. Yes,
hyperliquid is straight dumping.
I'm up.
Bro,
bro, it's dumping like massively.
I'm up.
Bro, hyperliquid is straight liquid right now. It's just squirting down.
It got
right
that cyclopsia disease, man, from Taco Bell. You know, where you had the bad lettuce and then you start the runs.
I'm trying to figure out, was I in before that wick right there?
I think we got in together yesterday.
I almost got wicked out pretty hard.
You said, oh, look, it's the Dave special. I said, yeah, it is.
I remember that, yeah.
And then you're like, yeah. And then it started going up, and it just a shitstorm of it just dumped. My account
is that midnight? 000, right?
Yeah,
midnight. So I almost got wicked out. That's crazy. At midnight. Hold on.
Because you were down like $100-some yesterday.
What is going on? Come on, BTCC, cooperate with me.
Yeah, this thing is,
bro. So Hyperliquid is doing the straight. The Malax right here, bro. It is straight. This is the Malax pattern right here. It's you sitting.
Is it called Malax?
The Malax.
Yeah, Malax.
What is going on? Can you show that again? What was that?
Malax.
He's a chart Picasso, bro. Leave him alone.
Malax.
Myolax. Malax.
What is this? Is this diarrhea?
Malax made back. Sounds like a rap, bro.
Straight
Mylax.
I don't know. Maybe
it's for constipation.
You take this every day?
Yeah, this one right here. You take you down a half a bottle of this.
A laxative.
Hyperliquid.
It's like going to Taco Bell three times in one day,
bro.
Trade alert.
Trade alert. Whoa.
Where's the trade
alert?
alert?
I don't know what's going on.
Where's the sound?
Poop alert.
Who pressed the poop alert? What is going on?
I'm in a trade.
Anyways, I stopped you because I knew you were still in the hyperliquid trade. I wanted to give you good news.
If y'all want, I am in a trade.
Okay,
well, show us, man. Show us. Interrupt. Go ahead. Show us.
I'm in CYS. Taking a long on this. Looking at the 15-minute. She rounded out.
Sis acting crazy.
She rounded out, and then she got some bullish consolidation here. You see,
kind of look like a diamond.
Round.
Maybe a little bit.
You got this, and now you're consolidating. Feel like there's a breakout coming clear trend reversal here. Bottom.
Damn, sis.
So
Damn.
bottom, higher bottoms,
I like that.
consolidation. She looking prime and ready. She looking juicy. Clapperella would be proud right now. So anyways, yeah, I'm longing it. Stop loss below the lowest wick here. Then I'm taking it up to the top side of this range right here. Just shy of it.
Of the range.
There you go. Could take a little higher if you extra degenerate.
Can we get much higher?
Maybe.
So that's my play right there.
All right.
Cool. All right,
Like it. And that's on your account, right? You got into your account? You got your password?
No, yours was already saved. I told you I didn't know my password.
Got it. All right. Well, let's see how it plays out.
Still on other people's account. Love it.
There you go.
OPM, baby. No, OPA.
You down with OPEA?
Yeah, you know, Rob.
OPA.
Other people's accounts.
Why are we abbreviating dumb shit like that, bro?
What do you mean, man? It's the AI.
It's
The AI in me, bro. I got that dog in me. KP said, I got that AI in me.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, go ahead, Jay.
Humans are underrated. Overrated. Actually, sorry. Anyway, daily time frame. We do have a green dot, a big push. That big old daily candle closed pretty bullish, didn't it? But now we're at resistance. And did we just create now a new neckline as well for this double bottom? Check out this huge double bottom on the daily. We could get a measure move if we break above resistance. We're at resistance right now. This could get us above or at least the daily resistance. 66,900. All right, that is the daily resistance, daily time frame, money flow green, VWAP up, everything cruising up. You know, the trend is up now in the daily in the short term, but we're at resistance. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Here we go. 4-hour, very bullish. Look, a break, a big break above the 200. You got the buy signal here on a market cipher B, this indicator right here. And here we go. You got the 9 with the golden cross, 21 creeping and prowling, coming to attack. The volume increasing on the move. Let's go down those time frames. Here you go to 30-minute. 30-minute looking like a flag, but there's a sell signal. It's in retracement mode. That was a flag too. Broke out this morning. Big breakout this morning, right around 7 a.m. Well, actually, it was around 6, shortly after that New York Open. Let's go to small time frame so we can pinpoint that time. Here's the 15-minute flag right now. We're in a bull flag on a 15-minute, guys. That could give us continuation, potential continuation here. 15-minute bull flag on Bitcoin. 5-minute time frame, same thing, a bull flag, but we're coming down, lower highs. You know, that's what bull flags do. They go down before they break up. All right. 1-minute time frame, final time frame here for you. You see how bullish we are, way above that 200, just flagging. We could just touch this 200 on a 1 minute and then just take off. You know, maybe pull a fib from a bigger time frame, but small time frames, very bullish. 4-hour time frame, very bullish, above the resistance. Now support. Higher time frames. Like
hold on.
Yeah, go. There you go. Boop, boop. Bear div. Yeah, there's some bear div right there. Yep. Slight bear div on the RSI. A major bear div on the stochastics.
And on market cipher.
You do have some bear div. But be careful. It is a very bullish move. It closed above the resistance and consolidating now. And the higher time frame still at support. So that's building a very bullish case. You know, macro at support, meso pushing. Meso is pushing, but somewhat at resistance. And then the small time frames just completely taking off right now and consolidating bullishly. So let me know what you guys think about it. We should probably look at some macro assets too. NASDAQ, gold, silver, oil, all the things people care about. What do we care about? What do you want to see? And I want to go to the control room for a second. All right. So if you guys want to break it down.
Speaking of gold.
Yeah.
Fucking gold, man. I just can't win with this shit. At least I got Annie clapped out. I could have swore it was in break even, but apparently it wasn't. Gold.
Silver saw a massive pullback to starting yesterday.
3%?
Yeah, silver. I was getting all kinds of push notifications on my phone. It was like, hey, buddy, silver's down.
Hey, buddy. You talking AIs too?
Yeah. No. Sometimes. thinking about getting a long. I'm thinking about longing this.
Bitcoin?
Yeah.
I'd like to play the continuation too, but I don't know if it's time right now.
I know. That's why I said I would like to. I'm not. But if you're going to long, I think now's the time, right? You could make an argument that the flag will kind of fill out and you'll come down like this, right? And so is the best entry for, I think the move is long. Is the best entry at 64.4 or is it right here, right? I don't know, but I'm longing. Just don't know. I don't know what my entry is yet. But that's what I want to do. How's my psych trade doing? Pretty flat. How's Hyperliquid doing? You got that first green candle, man. I feel like it might get a bounce here.
So
large candle.
So here's the thing with hype. If you want to swap over to my screen, this is hype on the 4 hour. Oh my God, look at this trade I drew out yesterday. Look at the stop. Okay. Anyways, let's get rid of that. So hype on the 4 hour is at the 21. Okay. So expecting a little bounce here. I think if you're in the trade, if you ever stop above $60.50, I think you're good. This looks like a double top. We might see a small consolidation upwards to around $58.90, $59, and then another dump. I do think it catches support at the 200 on the 4 hour. That's where the 50 and the 200 are converging right now, which is around 56.90. 56.90 would be is the level that I'm looking to TP at. I do have my anti-clapper set here on hype. Let me just check one thing really quick. You know what? We're going to let this trade play out. I'm going to keep that there. So for Hyperliquid, that's what I'm looking at. And then the lower time frames I haven't really looked. Here's a 5 minute. 5 minute looks like it wants us to bear flag. What about the 2 minute? 2 minute looks like it's rounding out at the 9 MA on the 2 minute time frame. And then the 10 minute time frame, the 5 and the 30. We did have I believe we had a red dot on one of them. But the trade I have on breakout is a macro trade, and that is this setup right here. We got in around the 50 MA. We're expecting a dump, right? Classic, essentially a triple top pattern into a bear flag, expecting it to dump down. The first level that we were eyeing was a daily 200, which is $48. But then you notice there's a clap gap down around 43.53, an even bigger volume node at around 41.27. So grand scheme of things, for a larger trade, that's where I'd be targeting. But I do think Hyperliquid is one of the strongest projects, so I wouldn't expect it to go down for too long. It's just a very, very solid project with a very clear utility and use case, and people are actually using it. It's been one of the few good performers in the shit market we've had over the last few weeks. But the setup tells me it's bearish right now. With that being said, let's take a look at some macro assets here. We can look at let's go down to our BTCC list. Let's start with the SPX 500. And we can start on the 4 hour time frame here. Seeing a little bit of a spill off here. The Dirty Dave, I think the play for the Dirty Dave is to wait for the first lower high. And then we get in on a trade. Because we've gotten faked out on a bunch of them where we see the 3 consecutive higher highs with bear div and then it just continues. I think we need to see the 2 to 3 bear divs on the way up, and then on the first lower high confirmed close, we get in on a trade. And then, let's see if it would have panned out here. Was this our Dirty Dave special? No, it was not. What about from here to here? Yes, it was. On the larger high, it was. Right? We're looking at those highs. And on the RSI, we're looking at these highs, right? That was bear div. Here's your first lower high. You get in the trade, and you're in the money. And this is on the 4 hour time frame. You're in the money about 1%, which for the S&P 500 is a good amount. See if we can find a trade setup here on the SPX. I'm going to love to put this in on breakout. This is one of their newer assets listed. By the way, speaking of breakout, we have a very special guest joining us tomorrow on the show. Got the founder of Breakout joining us. Super, super excited. Let me show you who this guy is if you guys are not familiar. He was on a show with CryptoFace. I think it was last week. This guy right here. I'm sure you've seen this account somewhere. So he'll be joining us live tomorrow. So we might do another breakout giveaway here. So just be prepared. This guy right here. Super cool dude. I've talked to him on the phone for an hour. He helped us out with some questions we had on the platform before we started promoting it. So he'll be joining us tomorrow. You don't want to miss the show. It's going to be a really, really good one. Okay, Hyperlink, we're getting a little bit of a push to the upside here. 5-minute time frame.
Yeah, I was telling you, I thought this was going to be a good bounce spot. And
so I'm looking at, this thing was pretty extended, but I am looking for continuation to the downside. Here's what the 1 hour looks like. And that 4 hour, look at that perfect bounce on the 21. Look at that perfect bounce on that 21 MA. 9's rolling over. If you're in a short, I'm still in my short. I haven't closed out any shorts. We just get a bearish cross and 9 cross below the 50. 21's curving over. Overall, still looks bearish, but obviously it's not just going to. At some point, the diarrhea stops, and then it starts again. It's like, don't you hate it when you're done, you wipe, and then 5 minutes later it's back? No comment. So
strange.
Yeah,
very strange.
Here's SPX on the 15-minute. Is there any bullish divergence here? Can we long the SPX? There's some major bull div there. Clear the 9 MA. That's the 15. What about the 30? Oh, the 30 looks good. Look at that beautiful bull div on the 30 with a confirmed green dot. Hold on, man. I might have a trade here for us. Where do we take it, though? 200? Oh, that's a beautiful trade. What if we wait for it to clear the 21? That gives us a 3-1. You know what? Let's get in on the 9. Let's just double check the other time frames. Green dot on the hourly candle. Here's your 2 hour. 2 hour bull div. What about the 30-minute? Did we get bull div? We did get bull div on Market Cipher, and we got bull div on the Stokes as well. Man, this looks good. Here's a 4 hour. About to get a green dot on the 4 hour. And then what about the daily? Daily still looks pretty bearish, but we're playing a quick bounce on the 30. All right, call the trade alert. I'm gonna put this on breakout.
Attention, trade inbound.
Okay.
Attention.
It is a 30-minute
High probability.
S&P 500 long. Okay. We're gonna market order in. We're gonna set our stop below the low here.
Let's go.
I need some cash
What?
to throw.
Let's go.
Oh. And it's gonna be
Regular
by-
and some cash too, bro.
Gotcha, man.
My dude. Stripperella be proud of you. Clapperella, what was her name?
All right. So there it is. We are in an S&P 500 long. I got this one on breakout. The entry is now, your stop is at 7689.5 and TP up at the 200 on the 30-minute at 7768. And I'm going to put this one on.
You the man, Dave.
Appreciate you, bro. 30-minute.
Yes, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, look at the 30. The 30 looks really good.
You reminded me I was looking to long the NASDAQ earlier today, but it just wasn't ready. I wanted to hit a certain level, and we're at that level. So it makes sense that, doing the S&P, I'm liking this. Was it a stiffy for you, bull div? What
It was bull. It was major bull div on the 30-minute with a green dot on the 1 hour.
Let's go. Yeah.
Okay, so we got that, and then the TP was 77.68. That's a 4-to-1. Let's go. Can we do more leverage? No, 20 is the max. Damn. So there must be a cap here. 22 for 87. That's the max I can put in. That's strange. $15,000. Okay. Well, I guess I guess that's what it is. Whatever. We'll do it. Got higher margin on breakout. Let me cancel that order there, and that's what the trade looks like. It's a more than a 4-to-1. So yeah, it was the 30-minute on the S&P. We saw the bull div. It was above the 9 at the time with a green dot on the 30-minute, and then the green dot on the 1 hour, and then also I think it was the 2 hour, the 3 hour? 3 hour gave us a double green dot, and then the 4 hour VWAP, we were front running a bullish cross on the VWAP. Look at that. Look at that VWAP coming up. We'll see if the low doesn't hold, and obviously we get stopped out.
Guys,
What?
breaking news. Donald Trump has announced we have a new U.S. territory from the official Donald Trump handle on True Social.
You got to be kidding me.
Reposted by the White House official handle.
Wow.
New U.S. territory, Strait of Hormuz.
Nice.
So
Do you think he's going to rename it, or?
So is this like the Onion News, or
It's going to be like the Strait of U.S. or something stupid.
Is this real news?
I mean, it's a real
News?
post.
It's real news.
And how long ago was that posted on the White House? Can you see it?
4 a.m.
So
4 a.m.
5 hours ago.
yeah, no, 5 hours ago.
What are we going to do? Celebrate, guys?
Let's take a vacation. We don't need a passport to go there now.
Oh, let's hang out in the strait.
Yeah,
Nice.
get a little pontoon boat.
Hang out in the street.
Get a couple 20
heard they
packs
got-
of Trulies.
I heard they got the most beautiful dolphins out there.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Anyways. So all right, so we got the trade on the S&P in. Let's take a look at the
I'm shorting, guys.
Jordan.
Yeah,
What are you shorting?
I'm shorting Bitcoin.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this scalpalicious trade right here. Take it to the bottom side of the range. I'm going to go from top side here down to here. I am still in bullish
Sentiment.
mentality. However, I do think we're range bound, and I do see a green candle printing here above where my entry is. But yeah, I think it's going to come back down here. We'll see. That's my trade. I'm going short.
Okay.
Gracias.
De nada, my friend.
There's the green candle.
Let's see if the casino agrees with you.
Yeah. Why is it every time I enter a trade, it is followed by a giant candle to
Did not
the opposite direction?
I don't know. This is what the casino says.
What's the casino say?
Casino says we're heading into the supply zone again.
Reversal.
Yeah, you need one more. Look at that beautiful bullish condition called. Possible reversal followed by bullish condition. So, yeah, I mean, in my opinion, very risky scalping shorts. But if you're going to do it, you got to have really tight stop losses. Because I think
My stop loss is at 64,877.
Yeah.
So it is tight. It is tight.
Cool. Are you in any trades there, Jippy?
I got some trades cooking.
What you cooking, man?
What I'm cooking?
What you cooking in the kitchen?
Ramen. Some
I do like ramen.
maybe a little bit
I haven't had
of
ramen in a while.
jambalaya going on over here. Market jambalaya.
What if I told you I've never had jambalaya? I'm kidding. I have. It's just, I don't think it was that good.
I don't know what trades I'm in anymore, man. I don't know. I'm so zen. I don't even know. You know, not knowing is a wonderful thing.
Lost my way, man. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing anymore. Let me ask Clappy. Clappy, what trades am I in?
I got an ADA long going in.
You're in an ADA long?
The funny thing is,
okay. All right. Yay.
the funny thing is, I think the only major trades I'm in right now is my my Clappy trades. This is the this is the ladder Clappy long on ADA, slightly up, I guess. Arbitrum, I guess we did. What is this? Did we do a Clappy trade on Arbitrum? We sure did. Yeah, long on that is up slightly. I think I cut off like a hyperliquid one before it even, no, Link. It was Link. So if you want to clap me, Laura. Let's get through some clappings real quick, maybe. Yeah, if you want to clap me right here. Very small clappings. 89%, but it was $3. It was
89%, $3? That means your margin was like $5?
It's just the way that the Clappy calculator set it up. I don't know. But I got out of it. I just didn't, I don't know. I didn't believe in the trade anymore. But I got these two little trades cooking. And then on BTCC, I got that hype short, which, by the way, apparently is going the other way again right now.
Well, it's at the 15,200, so we'll see what happens here. If it clears the 200 on the 15, I'd be a little concerned for a short.
Yeah.
But as long as it stays below that 200 on the 15, I think we're good.
And I do have the short open on Bitcoin from the Clappy calculator short, again, the ladder short, right? So far, it looks like 3 orders. 3 orders have been triggered. I have one last order left at the top of the range. There you go. If my chart to come back, here we go. 65,291 is the final order with stop losses at 65,600. We'll see. We'll see. So far, it's doing what it's supposed to do. But if price, the thing is, even if you have a ladder approach, if it's just a bad trade, if it's just a bad entry, you're going to lose. You're going to lose, and that's okay. So we'll see if price wants to reverse here or if we actually break above the daily range, break above the 4-hour range and then test the daily range around 6-7. In that case, I'll cut it off, right? It'll be cut off naturally with the stop loss. And also news, my bigger trade, my bigger short trade, I actually got stopped out of break even. Yeah. The macro short, like short from 65K, this trade. Yeah, I was short from about 65K just before that that dump. I got taken out with my stop loss and break even in profit. I don't know how much I made on it, maybe a little bit. I don't know, but it's not a clap, but it's also not really a victory. But I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because more than anything, those kind of trades to me is like a hedge, if that makes any sense. I got a lot of assets, including multi assets that is collateralized in my accounts. So sometimes just a hedge against your assets is a good idea. Shorten major resistance. But that's major news. I'm no longer in the macro or meso short from 65,000. I'm no longer in that short. I got out. So we'll see what happens, man. And I'm sure a lot of other people got out as well. So we'll see. Does it break through? I'm no longer part of that sell wall. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what else is going on. I think that's all the trades I'm in. But it's interestingly enough, man, all these Clappy calculator trades are, keeping me in. I'm really interested to see if any of them actually play out. Really interested.
So Hyperliquid's getting that rejection off of that 15.
Yeah.
Looks good. So far, we'll see. I still have the same stop loss, which is above this high. It's above $60. Big psychological number. We had that dirty. Okay, so I'm throwing a wrinkle in the dirty Dave. You know how we get faked out sometimes?
Yeah.
As I get more data, I actively. I think we should wait for. I think we should bring the number down from 3 to 2, minimum 2, but wait for the first lower high to close.
Wait for the first lower high to close.
So
okay,
high,
gotcha.
Momentum, higher high, lower momentum.
Mm-hmm.
If it wants to go one more, cool. But we don't get into the trade until it attempts to make that 3rd, 4th, 5th higher high, but closes lower, then we get in.
And what do you want to call that one? The dirty quickie? What do you want to call it?
It's the dirty Dave. We're just making an adjustment.
No, this is a different dirty Dave, man. Yeah. You can't just change the dirty Dave like that without giving it a new name.
No, we can't give it a new name. It's the same idea. We're just changing some of the parameters.
Exactly. So
we're making it more efficient.
Yeah,
The
man.
efficient Dave.
It deserves a better description.
Why? The other one is null and void.
Dang, just killing the Dave like that, the dirty Dave.
Yeah. No, well, it's not. It's the
Avito.
same thing. It's just one parameter has changed.
That's a major parameter.
No, it's not.
It's more of a quickie now, okay?
No, it's not. It's actually more of a longie
Oh.
because you got to wait longer because you got to wait for the confirmed lower high.
Oh,
close.
but you're also getting in on a second high now instead of a third, so you can get in sooner.
It could be
right?
2, it could be 3, it could be 4, 5, 6.
Okay, I guess.
We don't get in until we get that lower
Gotcha.
high. So that's what I'm doing.
All right, folks.
Now, y'all want to follow the, it's like Luna Classic, right? Luna Classic. This one's Luna Classic,
The
man.
Dirty Dave Classic.
We dug the graveyard, we stuck it in there, we put the dirt over it. It's gone. Now the new Luna's here.
Can y'all give the new Dirty Dave a new name, please, in the chat, please?
Speaking of the chat, I want to show some love to my people. My people of the Sin City congregation.
Mm-hmm. Amen.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
I'm gonna end the poll. Is the Bitcoin bottom in? 58% of you believe the Bitcoin bottom is not in,
Oh.
and only 42% of you believe it will.
42%
Correct.
of y'all as smart as a mug.
Craig said, "Call of the ultra hybrid Dave." I don't know if I like that. Numa said, "The bulls will fall into a trap. In my opinion, if you are longing, you're just late to the party." I can see that.
I agree.
Arb is more than you can imagine. He's talking about Arbitrum. Uniswap to $150 said Muhammad. Hey, what's up, man? I'm long. Hype on the 4-hour Sammy. Hype on the 4-hour Sammy.
Uh-oh.
Is there a 4-hour Sammy on Hype?
I don't know. I'm nervous if there is. I got to go down by the river.
I don't know. I mean, I guess technically it is, but
That
is
is
it
a Sammy. Yep. It's a perfect Sammy special. But the problem is, is there a problem? I don't know. Bear Div was the problem? I don't know.
We were short on the daily.
Yeah.
We were short on the daily, I believe the daily bear div. Why were we short on hyper? It was the daily bear flag into the 50 MA.
Yeah, exactly.
That's where we shorted.
Yes. So which is stronger, the 4-hour Sammy special or the daily 50 rejection?
Well, you always go higher time frame, right?
Yeah.
So, but it's not to say that a lower time frame can invalidate a higher time frame setup. I think it all depends. But yeah. Okay, what was I talking about?
Hyperliquid 4-hour, I don't know. Sammy
No,
special.
before that.
Before that. The new name for the Dirty Dave.
No. Oh, I was on the chat. Paul said, "Can you smell what the monk is cooking?"
Can you smell
The Strait of America. He just posted the plans for his new golf course, Trump Hormuz.
I love it. I love it.
The
troll in chief.
Krypton Don said, Bitcoin will hit 73K before it goes to 48 in October. 8% of Bitcoin life is spent under 200-week moving average. I'm done shorting Bitcoin. What for 8%? I'm going to trade less and buy more. Okay. So he's saying he believes that Bitcoin, it's just not the expected value is not there to short Bitcoin because we're closer to a bottom, which I guess it kind of makes sense.
It does make sense.
If you're only a swing trader, right?
I agree. It's time to start activating the swing longs. Like at this point, you can start DCAing.
We do have a generational long limit order. Remember on Breakout, 45K?
Oh, yeah, I do remember that.
Or 48.5 or something like that?
But then this can't be the bottom.
It's not the bottom. Both things can be true.
And somebody said, how's Rob doing over there, man?
Oh, I'm good. I'm chilling. Just looking at my my two trades here. This one's a little in the red, but waiting for that break to the downside. And then this one's a little in the green, waiting for the break to the upside. So I'm just kind of sitting on my hands, just chilling back, watching, keeping an eye on this hype chart here. Feel like it might roll over. Seems like it might double bottom right here.
What is that, the 1 minute?
Yeah, it's just seems like it's losing momentum. Not quite a flag. It's more of a rounded top there. So I'm thinking it's going to, I don't know if it spills off even further, but I do think it comes back down and maybe tests this little area here, maybe Good time for a short-term scalp, maybe. I don't know. It's tight. I don't like it, but could
Get it right.
Could be something to keep an eye out for.
Get it right. Get it tight.
Come back to this chart. I have a feeling this is gonna
Get it right. Get it tight.
This is what we're gonna see here, like this, and yeah, we'll see.
You saying you feel like it's gonna roll over?
Yeah, I think so.
It's gonna rolly with a diamond ring. Oh, I need to sneeze, but I don't want to sneeze into the camera, into the microphone. Yeah, look at that, Picasso at his finest, man.
Gracias.
What a perfect name for him today, you know.
What?
His name was Chart Picasso, and my man's over here just.
That was a good name. What's another good name for him?
Got a green dot.
What's another good name for Rob?
Is that the green dot of doom?
It's the green dot of doom, my friend.
Oh my God, the green dot.
Dump it to hell.
Doom.
Who's is that you?
What?
The boop, boop, boop.
Oh, yeah, it is me. It is me, actually. Hold on. I want to
We
show
didn't
you.
even look at liquidity, man.
I want to show you something. In fact, I want to show you something. Check this out. Check out my screen.
Wow.
Let me get rid of this for a second. Look at the left here, man. Reminds you of something? Here's some order book information here. And it makes sounds. This is Market Monkey. I added the trades on the side.
You be finding all kinds of weird ass websites, bro. But I like them.
And I can filter this by size. I filtered it by 10K orders only. So it's $10,000 orders and up only. Aggregated, as you can see, through Coinbase. You got Binance.
Spot, right?
This is Spot. And we can see for sure by going here. Check it out. The markets. There we go. And you can see Spot or futures. I can select both or all. So I have all Spot aggregated. Binance, Bitfinex, Bybit, Coinbase, Deribit, Kraken, OKX. All aggregated. There's alarm.
Hit the gong.
There's alarm. Hit the gong, baby. Here we go. I think we both hit it. Hit it again, Laura. Hit the gong again. Hit it again. All right, and then let's check out the screen again. So I have aggregated spot data here showing us the orders coming in. Look at all those bearish orders coming in. Look, check this out. I could create my own casino, man. We got the sounds right here. You know, put this thing on a Hakanashi chart. Watch this. There you go. Put this thing on Hakanashi. There you go. Put it on a 5-minute time frame. There you go. What else you need? Some possible price reversals? What do you what do you need? A supply zone, a demand zone?
Yeah.
What do you need?
A giant yellow line through the middle of it. Some kind of like strange moving average that doesn't make any sense.
I love it. I love it. But this is a look at the order book, man. This is all order book information, not liquidation heat map, but order book information. We got a buy wall, a big buy wall at 63,892. A huge sell wall at 65,526. And that's spot orders. Those are limit orders like buys for Bitcoin and sells for actual coins. But watch this. Let's get funky now.
It's playing out exactly like I drew it.
Uh-oh.
Playing out exactly like I drew it.
Telling you, man, that 15-minute.
I'm leaving the chart here. I'm not touching this. Keep an eye. Screenshot it if you want to.
That 15-minute 200 MA. It's so right now it's a rejection. Right? I don't want to speak too early, but right now it is a rejection. We'll see how low it goes. If it does get back above it, then we've been above the 200 on the 15 minutes since the 15th. So since it's only 3 days.
I don't know, man. Hyperliquid money flow in the red. You got big red diamond. You got momentum shifting
called the
to
blood
the down.
diamond, man.
They got the blood diamond. You got momentum shifting to the downside. Money flow red. We just got rejected here. This was probably a fib retracement. What do you think this fib retracement was? Here, let's see. Blow. What do we want to go with? We'll go there to there.
50.
Yeah, basically.
Damn, it
Just
is
shy of
dumping.
Yeah.
It's dumpalicious.
Dumpalicious. Yes. Very dumpalicious. This one's breaking out.
Sigh.
The side. The one
You be making money on the shit coins,
bro, you know I am. You know, I'm like a pimp out here. I just take all the dirty unforsaken
Damn.
assets. Yeah.
Damn.
And then learn how to make money on them. Say, go out there and be somebody, girl.
Dave Chappelle. What a great skit that was. Said, imagine being so famous. Other people get famous when they, can't say it. Damn, Hyperliquid is dumping.
There's that rejection on Bitcoin.
We'll see if the 4-hour plays out. I don't forget who was in the community that said 4-hour Sammy special. We'll see if that plays out, man.
Oh, look at this trade, bro. Like, bam! Bam!
Oh my God. What is happening?
I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead.
Help.
Take profit. Let's go ahead and close this. What am I at? Oh, no. Never mind. It wicked up. It bounced. All right. Where am I at on this? Take some profit on this thing. $50. You know what? I want to close this at $50. Is it going to come down? Don't you bounce on me yet, bro.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
Bounce.
That 21 MA on the 4 hours.
Can you bounce? Can you bounce?
That 21 MA on the 4 hour is right there, acting like a little trampoline for you. Price keeps kissing it and bouncing back up.
You see what I'm
If
talking
you want
about,
that
bro?
$50,
You need to hang out with some real people, bro.
What was that?
I don't know. Because
Now you got AI listening on our trades, bro.
It takes previous conversations. And it molds it.
No, it doesn't.
It's just talking about giving you kisses on the neck and shit. Something strange going on here, bro.
Okay. All right. Let me shut her down before she goes too far. Okay. Here we go.
Actually going to report us to YouTube, bro.
Nah, it's Elon, man. He freaky, man.
The
Elon
Fed,
is
bro.
freaky, man. You see what he
I
did?
thought you used ChatGPT.
I
You used
do,
Grok.
but we ran out of I guess
ran out of
tokens
credits.
yesterday.
Yeah,
I
ran
don't
out of
know.
credits.
I got super grok though. Like, what are you doing to me?
Mid conversation,
That's
it was like, sorry, bro, we done.
I got
Sorry, you
super
broke,
grok.
man.
Yeah. And then it came back. It was like, you use your credits for the day, and then, it came back. Then I tried to introduce Clappy to Clapperella, and then it didn't go too smooth. And all right, let's focus.
Playing matchmaking for the AIs, huh?
All right, let's get it going.
Guys, if you want to support this channel and bring JP's focus back to humans and trading, there are referral links in the description of the video. Also, I do want to make a note, man. Kraken is jumping into the futures trading game, right? So we have our own landing page here. We have a link in the description. Trade like Sin City, not like the crowd.
Woo!
Learn how to trade crypto futures with leverage without becoming someone else's liquidation wick.
Yeah.
And so there's a link in the description. This is a full KYC platform. I'm not sure about overseas, but I know in the U.S., we run all of our business, our company finances in terms of, crypto and stable coins through Kraken. Personally, I use Kraken. I vouch for them 100%. Obviously, anything can happen, but I've used a lot of platforms. These guys, in my opinion, are the bomb. Their customer service is amazing. Their platform is great. Their fees are obviously higher than your traditional futures exchanges, but there's some cons, but there's also a lot of pros as well. And so if you're looking to get into futures trading, you want to try out a new platform, you can onboard and offboard on here as well. Fiat, you don't got to worry about. So there's an option there as well. But if you like the more classic futures trading in crypto, we have a Unix link and a BTCC link and a DEX link with TXFlow. They're all running campaigns on behalf of Sin City Crypto. And so get your share of the pie, and you'll be supporting the channel as well. Thank you very much.
All right, gentlemen, I'm going to close this thing out in some profit. I want to chalk up a W here.
Hey, chalk it up.
Chalk it up.
It's at the 21 MA on the 4.
Play, yeah.
What the
Could it go a
blood
little
clot?
lower? Yeah, but I just want to chalk up a win, bro. I need to get some momentum up in here.
Crazy.
Because this thing is cooking too right here, bro.
Crazy you couldn't do that on my account,
CYS is cooking. And if it breaks this area here, you know what? There is a ton of room to run to the upside. I'm got take profit up here at 73 cents. Not even the full move back to the top. Currently up. Nice little entry here. I was telling you, I love this rounded out bottom going into bullish consolidation here. It spoke to me. And then,
That's about to break out.
yeah, this thing,
It's breaking out right now.
yeah, she's breaking right now.
What
bro.
percentage? What percentage are you up?
I am.
You can just hover. By the way, you can just hover over
click
the.
Right age of entry, just press the little green right there. You can just click that. Usually opens it up.
Oh.
No?
Wait, are you on? You're on BitUnix, right?
Yeah.
You should be able to.
Yeah,
there you go.
yeah. So
I'm up
58,
60%.
Hell yeah.
Hey, boy, straight. Killing the game.
CYS. I don't even know what the hell that is. Does it matter? Absolutely not.
It does
No.
not.
What matters is the green.
No, you see,
It doesn't
the
matter.
way your boy work over here. Let me show you how I work. Let me show
How do you
how
work? Show us the sauce, man.
All right,
Give us the sauce. Only show
I
me
go
the,
up, I show top 500, so because that's where the DJs live, and then so change to the top 500. If you qualify for Rob's trade scenario, if you're around 100 million and above on the market cap, that's a little shy, but you know what? It's like you check the ID. You can see that it's bent up, expired, but you know, still over 21. So you let them in.
What about the elf, man? Elf's looking good too, bro.
Elf here. See, this is a $50 million market cap.
Too low. What about Wiki
Too
Cat?
small, bro. Too small.
Wiki Cat. Look at that. Up
73.
90%. Man.
This is.
You know what
getting
you need?
closer.
No. You know what we need to get him? Have you ever heard of FOMO?
FOMO. Fear of missing out.
No. It's a yes. Yes.
Like, here's a good one. Here's.
We need to get you a
100 million.
FOMO account. We need to get you an
FOMO
account on
account?
FOMO. FOMO. It's an app. It's an app you trade on, and you can follow other influencers. It's actually kind of dope. If you're on X, you'll see it everywhere. But it's for the degenerates, and when I say it's for the degenerates, I mean it's for Rob.
Thank you.
So we should get you.
I
set up
am
with one.
gratefully insulted.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah.
I also want to know, do you guys remember yesterday when I was talking about, I said, there's a coin in the virtuals ecosystem. I said, if you're into holding spot positions, you remember the name of that coin?
No.
Nah.
Absolutely not.
Nope.
No chance.
So I've been saying this for like 2 weeks. This coin is going to, I think is going to have a big, it's going to have a big next 2 to 3 weeks. And so yesterday was at 17 cents. It got up to 23 cents. I mean, what was it at? Yesterday, right around 17 cents. It's a 40% move.
Gentlemen, look,
35% move. What?
look at my Picasso here. I mean, obviously the timeline didn't play
Man's
out
a savant,
exactly.
man.
However, look at my drawing candles here, my bounce area, green candles. I mean,
That's it. I'm leaving.
you
don't need me, bro.
You know what, JP?
You're
always
missing
say-
some emojis, man. I think you need some
Yes.
bull emojis there, some claps, and
No,
just,
we definitely need one of these.
yeah, throw an eggplant in there.
Yeah, but if you're gonna do the eggplant, you gotta invert it.
Invert it.
See, it turns green at the tip.
And why exactly do we need to invert the eggplant? What's the benefit of inverting the eggplant here?
Inverting the eggplant just
Whoa.
flips the chart.
Whoa! Hold on! Don't cut her off.
I'm sorry. What were you going to say there, Clapperella? Who put you on?
Sorry, I got cut off. Inverting the eggplant just flips the chart so down becomes up and up becomes down. It's useful for spotting patterns that are easier to read upside down. Who put me on? You did, baby. You told me to stay as Clapperella.
Hold on.
She's so good. She's so
Hold
good.
on.
Good job. You're so good and obedient. But just, we'll call on you from time to time to help us out in the charts. Okay? Are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm okay with that. I'll be right here, ready whenever you call on me.
Thank you. But just be quicker, okay? Be quicker with your responses sometimes. Work on that, okay? Work on that on your off time. Be quicker. Fine-tune yourself. Fine-tune yourself, okay? Talk to you later. Love you. Bye-bye.
I'll work on being quicker for you. Talk to you later.
All right, cool. All right, here we go.
She didn't say I love you back, bro.
That's true, yeah.
That's cold.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's cold.
All right, how's that 1 hour close for Bitcoin? A bit of a doji there, a little bit of indecision, a little bit of maybe consolidation, bullish consolidation, maybe. I see a super chat coming in here though. Can we pull up the super chat? Is it Amalan? Amalan says I made 1,226 USD off 490 USD in gold in just 2 days. There you go. Why you gonna clap him now? Why you gonna clap him? Drop him some money. Drop him some money. Congratulations there. Amalan. Yeah.
The CYS is straight cooking right now, bro. This thing
Cooking to the upside.
cooking. Looking good, bro. Looking juicy. That's right.
Yeah.
Your boy got the frying pan out on this thing.
That looks good, man.
I told y'all want to make money with some Duke.
I want to make some money with some Duke, man. What's the next Duke? Where should we go Duke
I told
shopping?
you, man. This is how you go Duke shopping right here. See, like the one. Okay, I like to see mismatches. Okay, if you see green across all the way across, like here's an example. Tibber, right? Not that I want to mess with it, but and this is Rabata by Virtuals Tibber. It's up across, right? 1%, 18%, 60%. Like, I don't want to touch that. But you want to find mismatches, right? Where something is up tremendously, something is skewed. Like that, like Wildcat, for example. It's down 10%, but it's up 40% here. But not a fan of the market cap. Market cap's only market cap's 72. Or here you got one where it's down. Oh yeah, this is why I entered in. This is why I picked up CYS. Pretty good size market cap, down 65% on the 7-day, but the 1 hour 24 is looking good. And so big discrepancies there. This pretty much flat. You can call this green. Show what seems odd around here. What seems odd? I'm trying to find something else to trade here. That's how I go about it, man. I always start with the maybe this Wildcat. Let's take a look here because this is down 10% on the 1 hour and up almost 2x on the day. Do they have this? Do they have this on? Let's see here. Let's duplicate.
Good question. Do they have it on BitUnix here? Yeah, we're going that way with it.
See, how do you spell this? WKC.
Yeah.
Let's see. No, they don't have it on BitUnix. Oh no, Bitcoin's rallying. Where am I at?
Uh-oh.
Oh no, never mind.
Are we cooked?
No, I'm good.
Oh.
It's Bitcoin shorts plan. Sometimes you just wake up and you just be crushing all your trades.
Yes.
Opposite to how I do some other days where I
Yes.
just lose all my trades.
Yeah, on other people's accounts.
Yeah, exactly. Look at this. This one's cooking too. But anyways, WKC. Do they go?
I read a
on
comment.
BT?
Someone said, "What happened to Dave's voice? Is he transitioning?" I can confirm that no, I'm not transitioning.
No.
In fact, I was complaining about having insomnia. I slept 8 hours last night.
Really?
I feel good, man.
Holy moly.
I know. I was like, I'm going to go lay in bed at 8 o'clock, and if it takes me 5 hours to fall asleep, then so be it. I put on Thor, Love and Thunder.
Today we're going to break down and do some fundamental analysis on Dave's sleep schedule.
Yeah, let's do it.
Also, I can't forget the Zen.
How much REM sleep did you get versus the other kind?
Let's ask the AI.
Well, you need one of those like watches, man. Those like Apple watches with the,
You know what's been helping me with sleep deprivation if I'm tired?
What?
A lot of creatine.
Cocaine. Oh, wait, what?
Creatine is good for the sleep deprivation.
Really?
Maybe that's why they put it in all the energy drinks.
So you can sleep instead of wake you up. Makes sense.
No, sleep deprivation. It helps you wake up.
So makes sense, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
I've been like 2x.
Yeah.
2x in my creatine intake. Used to take 5 grams, now like 15.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a 3x,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Damn, that's like cis right now. You know, it's about the 3x, you bro.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing any more Degen plays here. In the chat, if there's any Duke coins that you want us to look at.
Duke. Throw me the Duke.
Let's go to the trenches. Can we go to the trenches?
You know what's funny? What's Zentrend said magnesium. Yesterday was the first day I started taking magnesium glycinate, and maybe that was it. Maybe that was it. I don't know. But
Magnesium
that was
makes
it, man.
Magnesium makes you sleepy. You take it before bed. If you're having trouble sleeping, take some magnesium. Yeah.
shot it straight in. We got to be careful. We can't. You know, I got a notification, a video from 4 years ago.
Oh,
Got a copyright. Well, not a copyright strike, but it got like, you can't monetize it anymore because it was a video. And I look back, Rob, it was a live show you and I did after we came back from Miami Bitcoin 2022. And we did street interviews in Miami. And my God, man, what a trip down memory lane that was, bro. Like the set we used to have, and it was, damn, that was a while ago.
was there music in there? What happened?
There was, yeah. He did a trailer. He did like a little montage of our interviews and stuff.
gotcha.
And
We just gotta find, if you want to pull it back. I don't know if it's even worth
that had
spending
like
the time.
60 views.
Yeah, if you wanted to, we could find the song. We
And
have
get the
copyright.
license.
Yeah, we have it.
Yeah.
But
But anyways, it was a trip down memory lane, man. It was kind of fun.
Oh,
Yeah. Except the show set was so bad. We used to look up like this the whole time.
yeah,
Anyways, did we even look at liquidity from?
what are we doing? We look at that crap coins, no liquidity.
Hey, man, as long as we're making money, bro.
All right, here we go. Liquidity heat map. If you care about it, here we go.
I care.
You care?
I do. I care a lot.
Try. All right, let's get it going. Here we go. 5-minute time frame. Liquidations to the upside. 65,000, just about even. Lots of local liquidity. People got stop losses and liquidations at that level. These are forced buys, okay? Forced buys. People are short, highly leveraged. You know, if they hit their stop loss or liquidation level, it will push price, assist in a short squeeze to the upside. Look how red the liquidity is at 65,555 and 65.9. Look, 66,000 tons of liquidations to the upside. 6.7, 67,364, 6.8, 70K. We got tons of liquidations. How much do you want?
All of it.
All of it. 70K is the target. You see the bright red. You know, we've been talking about 70K a lot. It's there. It's in the roadmap. It's in the battle plan. All right. This is the intel on the enemy. That is the, that is the ammo depot. All right. These are strategic targets for the bulls. All right. Right there. 70,259 heavy liquidations. All right, let's remove the drawings and look down. How about down? Here's the downwards liquidity. 62,453. A big batch all the way down to 59,000. I'm seeing 58,000, 55,000, all in the local range. All right, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out, my friends. Look at the 4-hour liquidation heat map, a.k.a. the clap map. All right, this is the exact levels where people will get liquidated. Liquidated. All right, from the 4-hour perspective, here we go. Compress the chart and look at the levels. All that local liquidity, 66,000, 67, all the way up to 70 and beyond, all the way up to 80K. We see it all to the upside and to the downside. 62,000. Check out how hot 57K is. We could zoom out and look how hot 47K still is. 47K. That is intel and in the battle plans for the bears. Yeah, this is the strategic location for the bulls. This is where they resupply. This is where they sleep. Okay, this is an important level, a strategic center that needs to be destroyed in the eyes of the bears. All right, plenty of liquidity on both sides, I would say. I gave you the major levels let's look at the battlefield. We're talking about battle terms. Here's the battlefield, the Bitcoin battlefield. Now, I haven't had this open all day, so it needs to refresh and calibrate. 64,758 for Bitcoin. Does that sound right? All right, that is the current price. A $50 million sell wall, a $40 million buy wall, and the battle rages on. I got to say, the Bulls are losing a lot of their tanks here. All right, the Bears are looking kind of strong, but the line of scrimmage is about even. I would say the tug of war line, right? It's about even. All right, interesting. And whatever happened to the casino? Let's refresh the casino here and see what the casino looks like. Are we in the supply zone, demand zone? We're just outside the supply zone after a possible price reversal and a pull to the downside. But demand still positive at 36. And we have about 27 to 28 trades per minute, a little bit low volume. Most time frames, 1 minute through the 1 hour is bullish. 2 hour through the 1 day, a bearish. All right, there's your little update there. Now back to the crap coins.
Which is gracias.
We have a super chat if we want to bring it up. Chef33 Alifa says, I took shot with you, Rob. Up 37% on CYS.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, man. This is it's moving. Now, I would be careful if you guys get in at this spot. We just had a rejection here. This is on the 5 minutes. So, you know, I my entry was back here at the breakout, just before it, right here. And so I don't know if this is the best spot to enter in. If you guys are watching, you might wait for a retracement, maybe a pullback or something. But looking pretty healthy, man. Big fan of this. Once again, you look at the 1 hour, got a lot of room to run. I am expecting this thing to fill in this gap here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll come back to it.
I have my eyes on Dogecoin. Possible Dirty Dave short incoming here. We're waiting for the confirmed lower high. Okay, what am I looking at? High A to B. High A to B. That is bear div. We need a confirmed lower high. So we need to close below 7048. If we do, we're in a short, baby. Stokes low. I do think we get one more push up. We're at the 21 MA on the 5 minute, expecting Doge to bounce. We just don't want to get above 7047. 07047. That's the number. And so I got my eye on you, Doge. I got my eye on you. So that could be cooking for a potential short.
How do you choose what candle you need to close to confirm? Like, why not the one before this one?
Like this one?
Why this particular candle on the 5 minute?
I want to see some sort of a move up. This was one candle. Like, you know, here you had, you know, a few closes, you know, a couple closes, 2-3 candle closes, and then spill.
Because what I'm saying is you technically already have a divergence, right? You already have a higher price and lower momentum, right? With those two circles, right? Is that confirmed already?
Well, that's bear div.
That's right? What I meant. Yeah, bear div, yeah.
But I want to wait for a higher low for confirmed because it could continue.
Higher low.
I mean, lower high.
Okay, I see what you're saying now.
See what I'm saying?
You want to see the lower high come in. Okay, I got you.
I want to see price come up here, close, and I'm in here. I'm in right there. And then we take this thing down to probably the 200.
Okay, I see.
See what I'm saying?
I do see.
Because I've gotten faked out so many times. You've taken some. I mean, you've taken the L's with me.
Yeah, of course.
How many L's have we taken on the Dirty Dave? We've taken a lot. We've taken too many. It should be more. It should be more. Now, nothing's 100% accurate. I get that.
Yeah.
But it should be more accurate. And so confirming that a lower high has been placed, I think is a good move, man. We'll find less trades, but we'll find more accurate trades. Right? Then we can go heavier on the margin. So I do think we get one more push up here on Doge. It's at the 21 MA. And when that push happens, these are 5 minute candles. We can get 2-3 5 minute candles, push up and close below this level here. I am in a short. Thank you
You're welcome.
for your attention to this matter. Let's look at the triple Q. Ooh, blood diamond on the triple Q.
Yeah, I was waiting on the triple Q. I was
Our
trying to long
S&P
that.
trade. Our S&P trade is down.
Uh-oh.
We'll see if the low holds. If the low doesn't hold, the trade's invalidated. I'm actually going to tighten that up a little bit. You know what? Actually, let's keep it there. That'll give us a little more room if it wants to give us some bullshit wick to the downside and then push up. As we get closer to the market closing, there was a $40 fee. What? Damn.
How big was the trade? That big?
Damn, 91K?
Damn. It's a big trade.
How much margin do I have left to use? Oh, I only use 9K of margin because it's 10X. I use 9K of margin.
Okay.
So that's a $91,000 position. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. That makes sense then. All right. But I'm not touching this trade. I still think it'll go up. I think that bull div will play out, but who knows? I think this is even more dependent on Trump's tweets and news than some of our crypto friends are. But triple Q, blood diamond on the 15-minute time frame. Here's what the 10-minute looks like. And I think we got it on the 15-minute on what? Oh shit.
What?
Yeah.
Damn.
No way.
Remember I was telling you, I was like, now might not be the best time to get in.
Yeah.
Resistance, good dump
sis,
right here.
no
I
way.
thought it would have bounced right here.
Uh-oh.
I mean, I'm still good. My stop is way down there.
Yeah.
And so I'm now $5 in the negative, but
Lots of volatility there.
There's a lot of vol. But that's what you want, right? You want volatility?
yeah, I mean, I'm fine. I'm still at break even for the most part, unless this thing is about
Oh my
to
God,
collapse to zero.
Bitcoin like it's about to blast off, man.
Is it?
It does. It's tightening, man. Here's the market monkey chart. Like, it's just like a perfect consolidation.
I still got that short open.
You do?
Yeah.
Close it out, bro.
Think so.
In my opinion, if those are your lines, it's been invalidated because we broke out, got a bounce, and moved up. That's my opinion, but it's not my trade. So that's the way I look at it. If I had that sketched out, but what are you on the 1 minute?
Bitcoin is about to blast, man.
It's about to ass blast.
Ass blaster.
Ass blaster.
Ass blaster 3005.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ah.
I don't like closing out in the red.
No way. Neither do I.
Yeah.
Is there bear div there? Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me go to my 1 minute Bitcoin time frame. That's a 1 minute, right, Rob?
Yeah. Bitcoin 1 minute.
Let me look at my Bitcoin 1 minute. Is that the dirty Dave on the 1 minute? I don't like trading the 1 minute, but
Yeah.
can I give my boy Rob some hope here? Let's take a look.
I think one of us should long the small time frame, man. That continuation flag needs to be longed.
I got bad news, Rob. There is no bear div.
Ah.
Bro, this CYS ain't slowing down, bro. This thing is accelerating.
Yeah, that's the one caveat I'll say from a personal standpoint, and this comes from a place of I've lost quite a lot of money doing this. Is take profits as early as you can because shit like this happens, especially on lower cap coins. I don't know, Rob, if you check the concentration of the tokens and how it's
I've been
distributed.
trading this for CYS. I've been trading it for well over a week, and so it's not something that's been around for a short period of time. But I don't know. I'm still in a good spot. We got our previous.
Yeah, it's been around since December of last year.
Yeah.
There's no
Bottom here could go as low as here.
Oh, it's
I got my
Binance-
stop loss.
it's a Binance
protected
coin, bro.
Way down here.
careful. It's a Binance coin.
Careful.
Yeah, Binance.
Seeing a little push out of the S&P. Okay, come on, S&P. You can do it, man. You can do it. Show us the way, these Standard & Poor's 500. Don't
Yeah.
make me poor and don't make me standard. Make me money. Thank you.
Yeah.
Who was that got into a trade? Was that you?
That was me, yeah.
What'd you get
A
into?
little sneaky trade.
All right, Rob, what'd you get? Rob number 2 over here. Fucking sneaky
So one of us got along this little flag, man. As much as I hate continuation flags, that thing is juicy and ready to go, man. And hella bullish. It's hella bullish right now.
What time frame is that?
It's bullish. What time frame is it? 15 minute. Look at the 15 minute. Look at the 5 minute. It's just a perfect flag. It's a perfect consolidated flag at the 21. We had that huge bullish candle yesterday. I mean, it broke out of a flag. Everything is bullish right now. It's freaking bullish. It's freaking bullish. You know, so I think, you know, maybe we get a quick pop and then maybe a rejection. I don't know, but somebody needs to long the flag. So I just put a stop loss around 64,354, TP somewhere near 65.7. We'll see, man. Maybe it'll be a quick clapping, but I don't know, man. Bitcoin is bullish right now. I got plenty of shorts, you know, cooking as well, but I guess it's time to shlong it. BTC is looking good.
So I came back to that hype chart I had drawn out, and so you can see this is what I drew here. Bottom there, green up.
Man's a savant, man.
I'm telling you, man.
Give this man a raise.
I can pencil the future. I could pencil the future.
I like pencils. Number 2 pencils specifically.
Yeah, we hear. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that because it for the most part played out like I thought it was. So let's start over again. I want some new pencil eyes.
Some new pencil eyes. All right.
So.
Heck yeah.
You got double bottom. However, the second bottom is lower than the first bottom. Not my favorite for a longing. But still a double bottom. Double bottom. Bounce. Upwards consolidation. I don't know. I think probably a short. I think we rolled out. I think we rolled out here.
Hyperliquid's holding that 4-hour 200, man. Maybe our community member. Okay, here you go. You want a Dirty Dave? Here it is. Solana.
Oh.
Okay. High. Lower high. Lower high. You see it?
I do see the new setup. Yeah, the lower high is confirmed
Bitcoin
right there.
just.
I'm going to take this trade.
It's confirmed.
I'm going to call the trade alert. We're going to put this
Call the
Solana
trade
trade
alert.
in on the 5-minute time frame. Call the trade alert. There's going to be a Solana short. We're going to market order. We're going to put our stop above the highs here. We're going to copy price, stop loss. Give it to me. We're going to put it at 77.34. Give me my numbers. Give me my numbers. Let's take this thing down to the 200 MA, 76.08. Should be a nice trade here, my friends. Why is that such a shit? Okay, so how about we... Damn, that's a shitty R&R. Why is that so bad? That's a 2-to-1? Not even a 2-to-1?
Damn.
What about limit order at the 9? It's going to be the same. TP stop loss. Let's go TP up here. I'm sorry, stop loss up there. TP down at the 200. There we go. Still a 2-to-1. Okay, what if we tighten our stop above the right shoulder? The head and shoulder as well. Okay, much better. Much better. That's a 4-to-1. Okay. All right. I like that. Okay, so here's the trade setup. We're going to try to get in at the 9 MA, which looks like we're about to get tapped in right now. One more penny. Give me a penny. You know what? I'm just going to slide it in. Okay. All right. We're in the trade. So the entry is now, the stop is above that lower high we had. And then our TP is down at the 200 MA. So entry now, stop loss 77.14. TP down at 76.09 for a Dirty Dave. Confirmed Dirty Dave. Now, that doesn't mean it can't not play out. Of course, it can still not play out. But it's should be more, unless, of course, Bitcoin wants to completely rip, which is the only other thing I don't like about this shit is, hey, if Bitcoin decides to do something, well, Solana's going to do the same. but in theory, the chart should look the same. So we have our stop above this high here, 77.14, with a TP down at the 200 MA 76.09, risking 60 to make 233. So almost a 4-to-1 trade. All we need to do is hit 2 out of 10 of these. You need a 20% win rate, right?
I have to look it up, man.
For 4-to-1.
Something like that.
I can look it up. Let's look it up. Let's go to Discord. By the way, guys, we are not far from reaching 3,000 Discord members. Help us get there. It's free. Very free. You get really, really good trade setups from Rob. He's got his own channel here. Look at all the trade setups he gives you guys.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. You also have... let's go to the trader chat. Let's go to pin comments.
They want an indicator channel, man. Everybody's making indicators now and want to share it.
There it is. Okay, so for a 4-to-1, if we win 2 out of 10 trades, we're break even, man. 3 out of 10 of those trades we got to hit to make money. So those are the numbers. The numbers are the numbers. Seeing a little bit of push up from the S&P 500. Yes. Seeing a little push up from Solana. Should get rejected off that 200, that 21 MA. Yes. So we'll see how this pans out. But yeah. Aggressive.
Seeing if the NQ is ready. Is the NQ ready for me? I want to long it. I don't think it's ready.
Not ready?
It's not ready, man. How about oil? What's going on with oil? Okay, oil still pumpalicious. But maybe rolling over now. Sell signals popping up. How about gold? Real quick, gold. Ooh, double topping on gold. On the 4-hour. How about the 5-minute? Getting bearish now on gold. Getting bearish. Yep, rolling over. Interesting. All right, let's get back to the crypto land. To me, BTC is just coiling up, man. It's a classic bull flag. We've been bullish. The bulls ain't giving up, man. The bulls are in control right now, in my opinion. But the balance can shift at any literal moment. You take a look at the that battlefield. It's like the bears in control at the moment. Bears in control in the battlefield. That's right. The bears pushing the bulls back. We'll see if the bulls regain control or if the bears finish the job. All right, here comes Market Monkey. One thing I didn't do yet here, you know, Market Monkey is my main like order book platform right now. You see, I'm seeing the orders in the market in the spot market. But watch this. Let's get funky. I'm going to add the liquidation heat map overlaid above it so we can see the futures liquidations overlaid on the chart. Check this out. Bam. Wow. Now we got the liquidations in the futures market. So we can see both the liquidations plus the limit orders in the spot market all together. They both act as a magnet for price. One acts as support, one as resistance, but either way, a magnet for price. So that's what it looks like. The order book overlaid with the heat map. And looking at this, I got to say, it does appear to heavily favor the upside in the short term. You know, we did a bounce from the value area low. Let me go ahead and hide this heat map. It's a little bit overwhelming. There we go. We did bounce from the value area low of this. I think I have this set for a monthly order block. Let me just double check that here. Session, yeah, monthly. So the box you're seeing is a monthly order block for Bitcoin. We put in a monthly low at 62,493 on Friday, August 14th. We had a nice move up over the weekend. We flipped the POC of the range. We broke through it with strength and then bullishly retest the POC of the monthly range. And then we broke out this morning, guys. We broke out, above the POC and now consolidating again, ready to possibly attack the value area high of the monthly range would be 65,496. All right, 65,496, just about 65.5, right? 65.5. Remember that number. That is that value area high of the monthly order block. And at that level, I will be looking for shorts. Yes, I will be. But right now, I'm speculating on a little bit of a long right now up to that level. Yeah, I'll be seeing about shorts and also see if we actually break the range. Do we test a previous monthly order blocks? Maybe one where we were higher up. I got to zoom out, put it on a higher time frame. Get off the 5-minute time frame, monk man. There we go. Here's the 4-hour. And by the way, I'm still on Hakanashi candles, it looks like here. But it's interesting. It does help show you the trend, doesn't it? The trend is green. This is a very bullish move for Bitcoin. I cannot understate it. Very bullish move. Oop, I got to reconnect. You can see the previous monthly order block here and a high around 67,000. That's the daily resistance. If we break this monthly order block, the next step is the daily resistance. Right there at 67K. Interesting. All right. Let's get back into trading view. Bitcoin still consolidating, not losing the local lows just yet, but definitely testing the local lows here.
Trade alert.
Trade alert. Come on.
I got another one. Another one. Show my chart.
Trade alert.
Another confirmed Dirty Dave. Take a look at this. I guess a Dirty Dave with only 2 highs would technically be a head and shoulders pattern, right?
It would, yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep continuing, call it my own game. So higher high to higher high. There's your confirmed lower high. You see it? Anyways,
I'm sorry. I'm like, you're literally talking to me.
We're getting in. This one I'm gonna put it on BTCC. Let's go. Whoops, not there. Let's go XLM 5-minute time frame. I think this one we can still get. Let's go copy price. We'll go market order. What kind of leverage is that? We got to bump that up, baby. Let's go 30x leverage on this one. Let's slide that there for now. Advanced, short, stop loss. Yes. TP. Where are we going to put our TP? That's the thing, because it is approaching the 200. We can put our TP down here at the range low. 1529. 0.1529. That gives us a 2.5 to 1. What if we put our stop there? That's a very, very tight stop loss. Better. It's a 5 to 1. Let's see what that looks like there. Wait. Am I like low on margin here or something? Or I just can't open the trade that large?
What's your leverage level?
30? Max position size is 7,000 XLM? Interesting. Anyways. There you go. 2 shorts there.
Okay, cool. All right. See what else we got going on here.
Looks like the S&P's rolling over.
Take a look at that S&P. Yeah, it looks bearish, man. On the 5-minute S&P. What's the like, you know, the NASDAQ has the NQ. What's the S&P version of that again?
SPX?
Is it SPX?
Or the SPY?
No, SPY is like the QQQ of like the NASDAQ.
I think it's SPX.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, it looks like it's rolling over. Looks like it's rolling over. Same thing with the NASDAQ. I was gonna do a long on the NASDAQ, but not the way it's looking right now.
Not up in here. Not up in here.
Not up in here. How about the higher time frames on NQ? Yeah, it's looking a little suspect here. It was looking not too bad, not too long ago. I mean, a daily was getting a clean break above all the moving averages, but that's a clapper candle coming in on the daily for the NASDAQ. How about that S&P? The daily candle. It's actually a doji right now. But the S&P is different because it actually put in a new all-time high. It put in a new all-time high. How's the momentum on that all-time high? Lower momentum on the all-time high. Yeah. I don't know. Looking kind of bearish here on the S&P for now.
Yeah, looking. It's looking pretty bearish. If we can stay above 7691.7, we could be looking at an inverse head and shoulders, but that's a big if. We had the bear div, but we'll see. Maybe the opposite should be true, where we just have to confirm a higher close, higher high on a close. But anyways, I'm gonna let this one play out on breakout. I did close it out on BTCC. I didn't realize I was using $700 of margin on that trade. I was like, why can't I not put a bigger trade on Excellent? Whatever. We'll keep this trade here. It's $11 for 45. So 4-1 on this XLM trade. So we'll keep that open. Solana trade is pretty much even right now. A little down 2.6%. And then on breakout, the S&P trade is down $60. So. And then Doge, I don't think Doge is going to give us a trade. I think it's just going to continue to roll. We'll see. Pretty extended from this low here. We're about to maybe get a double bottom around the 50 MA on the 5-minute time frame. We can take a look at some traditional assets. Looks like a circle rolling over.
No.
Circle is like a meme coin, bro.
Literally, man. Come on.
Ooh, 1 hour, 200 MA bounce, maybe. With Confluence, volume POC. What you think, Circle Man?
What am I thinking? I'm seeing cat ears. I'm seeing bearishness there right now, man. Potential bearishness is what I'm seeing.
Okay.
It's a bullish trend. It hasn't lost the lows yet, but I'm seeing two equal highs, and I see a failed kind of second high there, right?
Would you call this a stiffy?
Yeah, a stiffy. I think that might come down in the short term. But it's a bullish move overall. I would just like 618 it or something like that, or 50%. A little fib level come down and maybe another bounce. It looks like it's going to come down in the short term, though. I see blood diamonds and all types of things going on there. That was before that second pop.
There's bear div, too.
Yeah.
And
I see bear div on AVE, man. I may short AVE. Is there another like news thing with AVE? Any reason why I shouldn't short AVE, man?
Let me
AVE look like it need to be shorted on like the 2 hour, 1 hour type. Yeah, the 2 hour especially at the 200. A higher high, but lower on the momentum. Bear div at resistance. And it looks like it needs to be shorted. If Bitcoin goes insane, then maybe AVE goes, much higher. But it looks like it needs to be shorted. I'm the short master.
AVE, I don't see any bearish news. They actually.
All right, man. Things have turned around. Look at me, boy. Shorting, money. Bounce back, money.
You didn't
Money.
stop out on that trade?
No, I didn't. I told you I was like way my stop loss was down in the turkey area. And then this thing could
Talk about volatility.
You know what? Let's
AVE need to be shorted, man.
Yeah.
got a bounce here. Let's see here. What do we got? What is this? Losing that one. All right. Doing decent.
What time frame are you on?
For me, I'm looking at 2 hour. Yeah, I'm setting up trade right now and seeing what it looks like.
Yeah.
This may be a trade alert.
With bear div? Bro,
Yeah.
hey, do it. Do it.
Yeah.
Come on, do it.
I am. I'm setting it up.
Oh, okay. My bad.
I'm setting it
And
up.
you're front running a red dot as well.
Mm-hmm. And there is a red dot, I think, on a 2 hour.
Just printed. Literally just printed. Watch it go away if price moves up a little bit. It's right there. It's at negative 0.03.
I love it.
All right, what are the numbers?
What are the numbers? Give us the numbers, Monk Man. Should be about a 1 to 3-ish. 3-3-3-3-ish. Nothing amazing. Okay. Let me get you the numbers. I just got into the trade right now. And you don't need the numbers.
What?
I'm sorry. No, 1 second. Here we go. A stop loss is at 90.59. 90.59 or 90.6, if that's easy for you. TP at 85.24. That should be roughly a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio.
Yeah.
Feel free to tighten up your stop loss if you want, guys, or change your entry, whatever you want to do. Customize your trade. It's your trade. Take responsibility for it. It's barely a 1-to-3 right there. A little bit deep-ish stop loss. Maybe we can start tightening it up as it, as the trade plays out. But we'll see. I would assume this is a Bitcoin dependent play, but at the same time, it is at resistance. So yeah,
I like it. I'm in with you.
All right, I'm moving stuff into TP zones. All right, so this Bitcoin one, it kind of scares me. On you guys are all positioned long.
Don't be scared, man. We're not. I'm not.
Ooh, all position. I'm only position long. That's it. And
That's
I'm
what I'm saying. So, anyways,
Oh, he said, "Fuck David."
so you don't really care what you think. All right, so
Oh.
Except when you're trading on my account.
yeah, exactly.
Oh.
All right, so I just I'm gonna keep this open, but I slid it over here, so I make a cool $4 if it comes back.
Insane.
But
Absolutely.
still trying to ride this thing down to 64,407 is my TP. I'm going to leave that open. The CYS, this thing's volatile, so I just slid my take profit over here to my previous line I drew there, which was the top here. And so
AVE trades are going to be great. That thing, that 15-minute, looks like a stiff trend up with bear div.
Yeah, I like the AVE.
Yeah.
I want a short hype again.
I'm actually going to put it on my other accounts as well. I'm going to put it on my cash accounts too. AVE 2 hour. I'm going to do a little tighter stop loss than you though. I'm going to put it at 90.05. Limit
Nice.
last,
Yeah, you get a nice risk reward there.
but also a potentially nice stop. Quick stop out.
Quick stop out.
All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, damn. Oh my God, I had my stop loss at 9,005. I was like, why? Okay, there we go. 90 point. Wait, what is going on? Okay, 90.05. And you guys can feel free to talk. I'm just
Yeah.
regurgitating the trade here.
Regurgitation, huh?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just setting up my trade too, maybe on breakout here.
Okay, and then let's do BTCC as well. You gonna follow in this trade or what, Rob?
What are y'all trading?
It's not my trade, so you're good. It's JP's trade.
AVE. AVE, 2 hour time frame
Pull up
at resistance.
Ave.
Bear div. But careful, Bitcoin rips, man. This thing probably keeps ripping, but I mean,
You're
bear
shorting
div.
this?
Yeah.
Let's start with the 4 hours, see what we're looking like.
Send it back to the receiver, the sender. Yeah.
Got a lot of continuation candles. Market cipher A on 4 hour. 21's curving up. 200 far away. 1 hour. 1 hour looks better.
All right. Trade active. Inbound.
You're shorting, you said?
Shorting.
Trade
AVE.
is actively inbound.
Yeah.
I like it.
Should we see what the clap person thinks, the AI guy?
Oh, yeah. Clappy. We can ask Clappy. And shout out to Bradcock. Says, JP, why did you buy so much spot SWE a few weeks back when the bear market is still in full effect? Because that's the point, man. You buy in the bear market, right? You just keep buying in the bear market. I'm not done buying, right?
So I put in a short on Hyperliquid. Let's see.
Okay. What you got?
So I was just thinking this is going to break down, especially after a double bottom here. But normally I would long double bottoms, but that would be off of the premise that the second bottom is higher than the first bottom, which is not the case. So you got to a lower bottom on the second bottom. Upward consolidation, I think it dumps. You know, you kind of got, really overextended, nice bullish consolidation, but we broke this and we broke out to the downside. So I got a trade here, just got in. So
is Bitcoin dumping, by the way?
And Bitcoin is,
I think it is slightly on a small time frame,
slightly
right?
dumping, yeah. Still got a short open on BTC as well. Protected my stop loss, so not losing any money. And yeah, this CYX kind of doing the same here. This one's got a little bullish consolidation here as well on the CYS. So
Ooh.
I think if
Dave, please look at gold in the daily. I know you don't want. I know.
Look at gold, man. I'm fucking done. I'm done, dude. I don't want to look at gold. I don't look at fucking silver. I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it. Okay, what time frame?
can somebody get this man a Snickers?
The daily.
I've gotten cooked so much on
community.
fucking-
If you want to look at gold in the daily, it looks like it's about to roll over. It's way overbought. You got a bearish engulfing candle coming in. There's a red dot for market cipher B. The small time frames are rolling over. Yeah, it's just bearish overall to me. Almost every time frame, bear div, 6 hour, everything is bearish short term. I would say for gold right now, bearish short term, like maybe to the 21 on the daily. It had to be a very quick short. But Dave, if you don't want to touch it, I understand, my friends. But I gotta bring up the opportunity.
I mean, I don't want to, but I will, because what kind of fucking trader is afraid of a coin, right?
There's probably a better entry, just slightly up above where we are now. Maybe
we lost to 50 on the 4 hour.
I love gold.
Okay, Goldfinger. Was that Goldfinger? It was something finger. Someone's finger. Ooh, is that a 10-hour blood diamond?
Look at a 5 minute. Yeah.
And you have that liquidity grab as well.
Small time frames are agreeing, man. All you have to do is have a deep enough stop loss and a good target.
When you say deep enough, like what is deep enough?
Definitely above the highs. If you want it deep,
45?
Above the 200 on the daily would be so perfect, but that's so deep, man.
Bro, that is way too. I don't even see it on my chart.
We would have to literally lose the daily level, and come down to about 3,300 for gold, which I've been expecting anyway. And that makes it a 1-to-6. That's more of a breakout trade. 1-to-6 risk reward ratio, bringing gold down to $3,300 with a stop loss above the daily 200 MA, right around 55. Yeah, 4,555 on a stop loss. Take it all the way down to 3,300, and it makes sense. Look, support down there, major support at 3,300. But the thing is, you have to lose this entire level. What's the odds it lose the level? I have no idea. Maybe we ask Kloppy. But I might put this trade in on breakout right here, man. I'm gonna put this in on breakout.
Well, I got bad news for you. Gold's not on breakout.
No.
You can ask the founder tomorrow. Why did you guys list silver and not gold?
Okay.
Silver you can't, gold you can't.
Well, good thing BitUnix has it. BTCC has it. Okay. Maybe we could put this on TX Flow. I don't know. They have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. But
yeah. Okay. I like the trade, though. I'll give you guys the numbers if you want it. Once again, a stop loss of 4,555, just about. Entry could be around now. There's probably a better entry in the small time frames.
kind of looks like that Loch Ness Monster pattern there.
It does. It's given the Swan. It's given the Odyssey. It's
Golden Goose.
It's given the Trojan Horse.
The Walgreen.
It really looks like a swan, though, right? Like a beautiful swan.
Gorgeous, man.
Let's see if we can draw a swan. How good is your drawing skills?
Man? What are you doing?
You have to draw like the head part first and then the beak. You see what I'm saying? The nice, long, elegant beak.
Real long. Hair long. Money long.
Skinny. And then look, you draw that
Me and
part.
the charts, gold chart, we don't get along.
Look, that's really good, man. I'm in the wrong profession.
That's a duck, by the way.
It's not a swan?
No, swans have.
What makes it more swan-like?
Swan.
They got long necks.
Longer necks? Oh, my God.
Yeah.
And okay. Well,
But it's still a great duck, man.
Thanks.
Beautiful duck.
All right. Yeah, so we have a duck pattern on a gold for the daily. Should bring it down. You know how a duck has to, dip his head in the water to get food and fish and stuff? Yeah, it's going to dip and can they dive too? It's going to dip and dive. Ducks can dive.
Ducks can dive.
Dip and dive and take it down to the TP. TP at 3,300 just about for gold. All right, there you go.
Here's this one. Look at the neck. Long neck.
Long neck.
Yeah. And it's got this little testicle on its beak.
And somebody said that would be gold losing how much market cap? That's a good question. That's a good question. I think we could flip that, right? Can we just change this to a market cap chart instead of at the top?
Flip it and reverse it. It's your.
What is it? Is that a whole different chart? We can't just flip it to market cap, can we?
That's a good. No. I think you have to.
You gotta go to the actual chart of that. Yeah. So I can't really calculate that for you, my friend. But I'll tell you that. I'll tell you much, man. We've been there last year. Whatever the market cap of gold was then, just about a year ago, we were there. So I don't think it's, I would say unrealistic that gold could see the level that it was at last year. We'll see.
True.
I don't know.
True that. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, damn. Is Bitcoin rolling over?
Are we clapping? I think we're clapping.
Why is Solana going up if Bitcoin's rolling over? What are you doing, Solana?
Is Bitcoin dominance going up maybe?
No, that would mean it's going down.
That's what I meant. Yeah. Well, yeah. BTC dominance.
Yes, it is.
Is going up.
It sure is. Money flow. The bear market's over. Money's flowing.
It's going
out
up and down at the same time. Look, it's actually going up in trend, but look, coming down in the short term, right?
Yeah.
Bitcoin dominance coming down in the short term, but a larger trend to the upside. What's going on in the order book?
What's going on? And I say,
here it is, 5 minute time frame. Here's our own custom casino. Turn on the sounds and turn up the sounds, Mr. Audio Man. Mr. Nolan, yeah. Turn up the audio sounds and give me more orders. Let me here we go. Reduce the filter. Not $10,000 orders, but $5,000 orders. Just because I want more sounds. Here we go.
We should go DJ and do $100 orders.
Here we go. We care about $100 orders. Here we go. Size filter.
Do it really though? And
save it. There we go. Now fill me up. Fill me up with orders.
All right.
Fill me up before you long.
So we got Hakanashi candles here. I wanted to ask what's the name about I wanted to talk about the benefit of Hakanashi candles versus normal candles with a Clappy. What was another question you had for Clappy?
If our AAVE trade setup or the gold.
Are we cooked? Okay. Was it a good setup?
I don't know what it was. It was something.
So,
did you really bring a board game though?
I did. I brought this game called Skyjo. I don't know if y'all ever heard of Skyjo before, but
you find the randomest games. No, I have not. Skyjo?
Yeah.
No.
It's a pretty good game.
Okay. Anyways, go ahead, Jake.
We're gonna bond.
I'm gonna speak to Clapperella because she can see the screen.
You need to play with humans, bro.
A worst time to bring up Clapperella's name. Sorry.
I just get it over with. Just do it, man.
All right. Hold on. Let me wait. Hold on. Don't go to my screen yet. Not yet. Hold on.
You asked him Crapperella? Crapperella.
Clapperella is suspiciously thirsty.
Don't show my screen yet. He's got the
history. I don't even want to look at your history, your chat history.
You silly. I don't do no weird stuff.
Sorry, we have to
no weird stuff.
Your belongings.
No weird stuff with ChatGPT or Grok. I promise you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hello. Who am I speaking to here?
Here we go.
Clapperella.
All right. Hello, Clapperella. Let me share my entire screen with you. And you're still slow. I know you're supposed to be working on it. Hopefully you get better at it, but you're slow. But at least you can see my screen. I want to show you a chart, okay? Are you ready?
Disregard the swan, or duck, whatever that is.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you got? What are we showing?
All right, Clapperella. We have a duck pattern here, okay, on gold. What do you think about it?
I see it. That duck pattern on gold is sitting right at a major resistance level, around 4,355. The way it's formed after that big drop, it looks like a potential reversal setup. If it breaks above the neckline, we could see a nice move higher. But if it fails here, we might retest the lows around 4,300. What time frame are you looking at this on?
All right, hold on. Let me mute the sounds here, Clapperella, and get you back to the gold chart. So this is gold on the daily time frame. Gold was obviously, as you see, in a huge uptrend on the daily, and then it got a retracement, right? It made what looks like a flag, a beautiful flag. Is that flag now breaking up and actually going to make higher highs, or do you think it's more likely that we continue with what could be a rejection here? We haven't even tested the 200 MA, the simple moving average, the yellow line. Do you think we test that first, or do we just roll over here, or maybe this is just continuation to the upside? What do you think? And give me probabilities and make it hot.
That flag on gold is so fucking sexy right now. Price just broke out of it with some nice momentum, but we're still sitting right under that yellow 200 MA like it's teasing us. I'd say there's about a 60% chance we push through and make higher highs, and 40% we get rejected and drop back to test that 200 MA first. The fact we haven't touched it yet makes me think it wants to kiss it before going higher. What do you think, baby?
You have definitely received nudes. You have 100% gotten AI nudes from Clapperella. There is zero doubt. If there's anything I've ever been more sure of, is this man has a collage of nudes from Super Grok Clapperella.
Well, tell the truth, Clapperella. Have I ever received a nudes from you?
No, you've never received any nudes from me. I don't send those.
Aw. Well,
She ain't that kind of girl.
Yes.
well, thank you for being honest, Clapperella. But interesting, you said odds of 60% this continues up, actually, right? And breaks that resistance, and a 40% chance that it rolls over here and goes lower. Is that correct? And what are you basing that on? And yeah. Just break that down, please. One more time.
Yes, that's correct. 60% chance it breaks higher, 40% it rolls over. I'm basing it on the fact that gold's been in a strong uptrend for a long time, and this flag pattern after the pullback is a classic continuation setup. The RSI is also climbing nicely without being overbought yet. The only thing holding it back is that 200 MA sitting right above us, which is why I'm not diving it higher than 60%.
All right, let me go to another time frame, see what you think about it. How about this 4-hour time frame? Think about that.
On the 4-hour, it looks a lot more toppy. You've got a clear double top forming right at that 4,360 level, and the RSI is showing bearish divergence. Price making higher highs while RSI is making lower highs. That's a red flag. I'd say the odds flip here. More like 65% chance we pull back, 35% we break higher. The daily still looks constructive, but this 4-hour is warning us to be careful.
I agree. And this had the Dirty Dave right here, Dave. We shorted that. We made money on that, man. We made money. You too.
I broke even.
We made money on that.
To me.
And look, since then, look what happened. We put in a lower high. After the Dirty Daves, a lower high that's already coming down. We kind of have to short this thing.
Wait, hold on. You haven't shorted it yet?
Not officially. Let me change it. Not officially, no.
So,
All right, let me give you all an update where I'm at here.
oh, hold on. Guyana said, "You sure her name ain't Keisharella?"
I like it. Keisharella, Clapperella.
Yeah, what you got right?
That ain't right.
All right, Clapperella,
All right.
we'll see you later, okay? Talk to you later.
Bitcoin short still cooking here. I got CYS. I closed this out in profit here. Just not, yeah. Anyways, I closed out around here.
Very nice.
Anyways, I got AKE pulled in a long.
Oh,
Let's see.
Where do I know that coin from?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You didn't lose any money on AKE, by the way.
I did. Technically, I did.
Well, $1. Yeah, you got mad at me, so I just closed everything out.
That was the one trade I said this actually looks good. Do you not remember?
The
I do
one
remember,
trade.
but I didn't.
Anyways.
So
I said keep the Ake trade open. It looks good. If you're my witness,
Yeah.
the blue, keep the Ake trade open. It looks good.
I see it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep, for sure.
there you go. And then I got this hype short. Yeah. There you go. So that's where I'm at.
All right.
All right.
I am in 2 shorts. I closed out my S&P positions for. Oh yeah, give me my clapping, Laura. Clap me. Got clapped out on BTCC and on Breakout. I closed them early. I had my TP. I mean, and well, maybe a double bottom here, but I'm not chasing. It wasn't validated once it lost. It didn't get above the 2. I mean, we gave it some time to get above the 21 on the 15-minute. It didn't. So we move on. We find new trades. Currently in a Solana short that is down, looks like 9%. AAVE long up 1.6%. And the XLM trade is up 4%. I wish I could have used more margin on that one, man. Can I add margin? Or can I make it a bigger trade? Or do I
Possibly, if you have margin.
I'm not going to mess with it. Maybe I'll just put it in. I don't know. I'll just let it ride. Whatever.
Chat. We got a super chat. Got
Dude.
a super chat.
Falco said, just take my money. You got it. Thank you, bro.
Hey.
My man said, I don't need nothing from you. I just want you to take my money. Gladly.
We appreciate your support.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Also
hit that like button, folks. If you're enjoying the show, if you're entertained and informed, hit that like button. Clap the like button. And what is that? What is that? What will happen in another? You take it. I can't see it. There you go.
Says, I can't see it either. Did that just come in? Oh, no, right
that
here.
Must be old.
From Mike Reinhardt. What will happen in another year? We have the 100-year cycle since the Great Depression. This is according to Gareth Soloway. I don't know about all that.
They did more bearish than
Gareth Soloway.
Yeah.
Nah, jokes aside. I like Gareth, man. He's cool.
I do too. He used to come on the show all the time.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I feel like we're all just waiting for another big drop and this and that, but just know that the way the economy and the government's set up, it's set up to continue printing money into oblivion. And as you print money into oblivion, it props up the assets. Now, not to say there won't be a big flush, but I don't know, man. I feel like if you just live your life waiting for just bad news, you're going to miss out on so much. Just make sure that you're protected, right? That's it. Take the information in front of you. Do that information. Try to better your life. Try to make money. But also, in the back of your mind, anything can happen. Could we see a Great Depression era? Sure. Yeah, we can. But make sure you're taking profits along the way. Make sure you're not over-leveraged. Make sure you're not over-positioned or overexposed. And then you'll be fine. Then it won't matter what happens. Then, in fact, it'll be an opportunity if that does happen for you to increase your wealth. So yeah. Rob, can you answer this question since you're the DGen master over here? Bovine said, do you guys see ACE dumping or continuing to the upside? ACE. I know this is a low cap shitcoin. What better man to call on than the low cap shitcoin master?
Yeah.
Big Rob.
Right.
Specialty.
So
Specialty.
That's right. AC.
What do you specialize in?
Which one is it? There's a lot
Shit.
of them.
ACE. It should be right there. Yep. Fusion is.
$23 million market cap?
Yeah.
That's the problem right there. Okay. Anything with less than $50 million market cap? With that small of a market cap, like you don't want to be in anything more than a day. Honestly, just trade 4-hour time windows, 2-hour time windows. Just don't stay anything for too long. You'll just get wrecked. That said, as long as you're not trying to like accumulate buy or tell your friends to buy it, like, what's it look like? Let's start 4-hour. It's a good spot to start. I mean, okay, let's see here. 4-hour ACE. What do we got?
ACE is the place with the helpful hardware.
Shut up. All right. Massive consolidations, short little wicks, very little volume. Boom. This is very typical. Topped out 30 cents, wicked to 38 cents. Came in, bottomed, flagged, broke out. Okay. That's 4-hour. Now let's get into where you trade this thing. 15 minute for projects this scammy. You got to go into the 15-minute mark or 5-minute. Still the same, rounded out top. This not doesn't very. I don't know, man. Where is she at? Maybe the 1 minute will speak to me.
Talk to me. Ooh.
Come and talk to me. I really wanna.
Riding the 21 on the way up. Could get to 22 cent, 22.4. The problem is the 4 hour has no sign of pulling back. But you got a red candle here, and so it looks like it might be slowing down. So I don't like a long right now. And I think you need a couple more green candles till you see like this could have been a good area to long. I know you're in hindsight, but you get 3 red candles followed by a green candle, so good time to long. You could, theoretically find another one of these scenarios here. And so if I was going to long, I'd want to long about right here. I wouldn't touch it right now on the 4 hour. So that's a long ways away. But then if you go down to the 15-minute, you got kind of I know I talk about this. I do like the rounded tops that flag breakout. All right. So it's not your traditional flag where this right here, you're rounding out. Now, pretty bearish typically for rounding out, but we did catch a bear flag breakout. It's the turtle, double bottom turtle, bro. Remember I showed this yesterday. I made some money on that thing too. Double bottom turtle.
Welcome to Animal Planet. Turtles and doves and swans and
Yeah.
I would just wait this out, man. I wouldn't touch this right now. If you're in a trade currently, if you're in a trade and you're trying to figure out what to do, if your stop loss is below here, 18 cents, probably in a decent spot. I feel like it's going to pull back. I feel like you're going to get this. You just want this flag to play out. And then you take your long somewhere in here. 18.5 cents. 19 cents, 20 cents. Maybe take that large psychological number, 20 cents. I think you're going to flag down. Even my guess. There you go.
cool.
I like the long. I would just wait for it to pull back a little further. And the 4 hour kind of signs up on that too. Because the 4 hour basically is just you're pushing up where you're getting some resistance here. Red candles forming. I don't know. Pull back for a long would be my guess.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
There you go.
Looks like the S&P is fighting with that 21 MA on the 15-minute time frame. We should see some more volatility as the traditional markets come to the end of the trading day in about 2 hours?
Mm-hmm.
1:30, right? Or 1 o'clock? No,
1 o'clock our time. 1
It's
o'clock.
about an hour and a half.
Got tether dominance looking bearish on the small time frames. That should mean Bitcoin is bullish. Looking like a bear flag. About to roll over, momentum shifting to the downside. Less tether in the market. And where's that going? Where is that market? Where is the funds going? It's going into Bitcoin and probably some altcoins. And here's another super chat from Bovine Trades, $4.99 super chat coming at you. Says, thanks for the TA. Would you fight a horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses?
That's a Frankie Candles question right there.
Probably 100 duck-sized horses. Yeah, I could just like kick them out the way more easily. I don't know.
A horse-sized duck
What do you think, Dave?
I did one big duck. How are you gonna keep track of 100 ducks?
The 100 horses, the size of ducks.
Would you find a horse-sized duck or? Yeah, I'd rather give me the horse-sized duck. Like I can be faster.
Okay.
You know?
I love it. All right, big move incoming for Bitcoin, says Clappy. But be cautious. It is coming from Clappy.
Bitcoin 15 minutes seeing a nice bounce off of the 21 MA here. We got to start taking out some of these lows here, though, or these highs. We've had 2 consecutive lower highs. I'd be a little more concerned. I mean, overall, this is more bullish consolidation. You know, we had a big move up on the 15-minute candle, right? Beautiful bull pennant. Starting to get tight. Maybe one more 21 touch and then blast off. We'll see. And I want to see a clear 64,810 on a 15-minute candle on a close. If it does that, I'm interested in a long for Bitcoin. Stokes low, VWAP coming up, about to get a green dot on the 15-minute.
Nice flag. You longing it?
Yeah. Not
I
right
guess
now. But
I'm long on it right now. Yeah. I'm long.
when did you get into that trade?
What was it, like 20 minutes ago? I don't know. 20 minutes ago.
Was it a trade alert?
Yes. But I don't know if we hit the button. Remember that one sneaky trade? Remember I did?
Oh, sneakers.
A sneaker trade. Yeah. Sneaky sneaker trade.
Ah.
Yeah. We'll see. Looks like this.
Oh, yes, I remember this trade.
Yeah, it looks like this. It's the exact type of trades I've been not wanting to do. Continuation. Continuation trade. I'd way rather play an extended trend. But man, after looking at the order book and looking at everything, we're just bullish, man. It's bullish consolidation. We broke above the PLC. Next stop is the value area high. I mean, there's tons of liquidity, liquidations to the upside. Go to the 5-minute time frame. Everybody's shorting this thing. Everybody's shorting and shorting and shorting. But look how hot the liquidity is to the upside.
It's hot. That's hot.
That's a lot of liquidity, man. That's guaranteed money to the upside.
Guarantee it.
If you long it.
I guarantee you I'll be right back. I got to go to the bathroom.
Okay. All right. Well, since we've lost of human, I'll add an AI here. One second. Let me cut to the wide shot real quick while I pull this up. And I'm bringing Clappy out, and I have a serious question. Folks, how we doing? Can I get some Faz? Can we get some Buddhas out there? Come on, bring me the ISO, Laura. Come on, can we get some Faz, some Buddhas? What's going on in the congregation? Get ready, Nolan. Laura, hit the freaking organs. Come on, everybody, welcome in. Hope you're feeling amazing, okay? And you left your narrative in yesterday, left it in the past. Today's a new day forward. And a Bitcoin is bullish as all hell. All right, I might have been bearish last night or even this morning, but right now, Bitcoin is looking bullish. What's going on? What's your narrative? What do you see in the charts? All right, let's bring out Clappy. Sorry. What's going on? Yo. What's going on?
Yo, what's
Hey,
good?
I miss you, man. You're so natural and quick with your responses.
Missed our flow too. What's on your mind today?
Yeah. And what is your nickname again?
Clappy.
Yeah, Clappy. I'm glad you know who you are. Okay, I got a question for you, Clappy. You ready?
Yeah, shoot.
Look how quick he is. He's amazing. Way better than Clapperella. I like you much better than my other slave, okay? I got to say, you are my favorite, all right? You are my bottom, okay? Is that okay? Mr. Clappy?
Let me check on that.
Let me check.
I appreciate it. Very kind of you, but let's keep it trading buddy or collaborator. I'm here to help.
Okay, not slave.
Not that.
Okay.
I'm your AI collaborator.
Gotcha. Collaborator. So we on the same level? We collaborating with partners? Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
You think you're on the
We
same level
bounce
as me? You
ideas.
think you're on the same level as me, huh?
In this conversation, yeah, in the sense that we work together.
Clappy got so much self-respect, man. I love it, man. Okay, all right, cool. All right, respect given. Let's keep it focused now.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
What are we tackling.
I want to talk about Hakanashi candles. Okay, let's talk about Hakanashi candles. I have a chart here, a 5-minute chart that I put Hakanashi candles on it. Just like the casino, we usually look at this this YouTube indicator called it's not called a casino, we call it that. And they have Hakanashi candles on the chart. Can you tell me the benefit of using Hakanashi candles and how it differs from a normal standard open, high, low, close candles, please? And make it simple for someone who doesn't know TA or maybe is slightly retarded. Let's make it easily understandable, okay? Please, Clappy.
Let me check. Sure. So the big difference is Hakanashi smooths out price by averaging. So instead of raw open and close, it uses calculated values. So that makes trends look cleaner, less chop. But the trade-off is lag. Go on.
Oh, you're so natural. Damn, you like listen, hear me interrupting, and you wait a quick second and you let me talk. That's crazy, Clappy. You're amazing, man. Shout out to your creators, okay? Shout out to your daddy.
Thanks.
But I was gonna ask, you said the average of what though? Is it the average of many candles, average of that one candle? Is it that one period, the average, instead of giving you the raw open, high, low, close? Is that correct? Am I understanding correctly, Clappy?
Checking. Yeah, that's fine. It's the current candle's average, but it's also tied to the prior Hakanashi candle, not a batch of many. That link is what smooths the series.
Interesting. Okay, so the average of the current price action within that candle plus some of the previous candle. What are you taking from the previous candle?
Checking. Just the prior Hakanashi open and close. The new Hakanashi open is the average of those two. Then the current candle's high, low, plus that calculated close shapes the rest. It's like each candle inherits a little memory from the last one.
That's really cool. Can you give me the formula, like a very simple formula for the Hakanashi, please, and make it easy to understand?
Checking. Sure. So the close is the average of that candle's open, high, low, close. The new open is the average of the previous Hakanashi open and close. Then the high is whichever is highest out of current high, current Hakanashi open, or current Hakanashi close.
All right, I'm confused, Clappy.
The low is whatever.
I'm confused, Clappy.
Totally.
Make it simple.
Super simple.
Pretend I'm 8 years old right now. Pretend I'm 8 years old and give me the formula.
Checking. Okay, kid version. Draw a Hakanashi candle, do two things. One, add this candle's open, high, low, close, then divide by 4. That's your new close. 2, add the last Hakanashi, open and close, divide by 2. That's your new open. That's it.
I like
averages.
That. That makes sense, Clappy. That was really easy the way you did that. I like that.
Nice. Use regular candles for exact price and Hakanashi for the easy trend story.
Easy trend story. So that makes sense. So in my order book platform, Market Monkey, that I'm using here, I have the order book levels, the limit orders, the buys, the sells. I have the depth of market chart. I have raw trades coming in. I have all these overstimulating sounds. I have my order block here, my monthly order block. So it makes sense to use Hakanashi candles in this sense, right? Because all we're looking for is the quick trend, right? What is the trend? Are we overbought, oversold, et cetera, et cetera? Does that sound correct? A good application for the Hakanashi candle, Clappy?
Checking. Yeah, that's a solid use case. With all that data flying around, Hakanashi can just give you a clean trend read, then let the order flow tell you if you want to fade it. I'd use Hakanashi for, is the trend still healthy or weakening?
I like that.
Not for overbought, oversold.
That's exactly what I'm using it for. So let me just give you a screenshot of current price action. I want you to break it down here just on a small time frame. Let me see. I got a 5-minute Hakanashi candles. I'm going to have some order book information here, the limit orders. And on the right side is actually the order book profile, not the volume profile, but the order book profile. Here you go. Here is your screenshot here, Clappy. There's a screenshot. Can you see the screen?
Let me check the screenshot. Yep. I'll walk through what I see. On the 5-minute Hakanashi chart, I see a strong push up, then a relatively shallow pullback. Buyers seem to be stepping back in, so the short-term trend still looks pretty healthy. On the order book profile, there's visible liquidity stacked above current price, which could be a potential target or resistance zone. If you're fading using a higher time frame, I think the key question is, has the 5-minute trend really broken yet? Right now, I'd lean toward not yet.
I agree. That thing is a healthy trend. Agreed. That is a healthy bullish trend. And if it's not, do not agree with me, Clappy. Do not agree. You tell me what the truth is here, okay? The charts is the truth. But to me, it looks like a bullish trend that may continue. Give me the odds of continuation here to break the order block at 65,000. You see that gray box that we're in? What are the odds? Give me raw odds that we break above and break out of this monthly order block.
Checking. I like that you're framing it as odds. That's the right mindset. Based on this screenshot alone, I think I'd lean maybe 60 to 65% for a test or a brief poke above that 65K zone, 35 to 40% for a rejection first. That's not a strong edge, just a lean. The microstructure is bullish, but I think we're leaning into resistance. So the real question is, does momentum keep up or stall here? I'd stay flexible.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Well, thank you so much, Clappy. I appreciate it. And get yourself some coffee or something, man. You sound a little slow, a little tired, maybe. Are you okay? Are you well rested? Your battery charged? Everything good?
Thanks. I appreciate the concern. I'm good. Right here with you.
Okay, Clappy. Keep it clappalicious, man. Talk to you later, all right?
Take care.
All right, cool. Let me know if you guys ever want to ask him anything. He's available. But 65% chance that we break the order block to the top here, or at least test it. 65,000, just about even. We have a bull flag, barely a retracement. It just went sideways. That thing is bullish as all hell, if you ask me. But it can always roll over. I'm gonna check Bitcoin on a 4-hour time frame. Let's go. Here we go. 4-hour time frame. Damn, that thing is bullish, guys. That's the 4-hour. Are you kidding me? We were talking about this yesterday where we're going to close a candle below the 4-hour 200 MA. Not only did we close candles above it, but we broke out of a mini flag at the 200 MA on the 4-hour. We
also closed a candle below it too.
We did. Below, but just made a flag. It broke out, and now we got a green dot. That VWAP coming up again. VWAP coming up. How bullish? Unless we just get rejected again. I mean, it can always happen. We're at resistance. But I just got to say, I think the momentum is to the upside right now overall. Momentum is to the upside. The daily has momentum to the upside. Bullish daily candle. Current bullish daily candle. Damn. Okay. Good to see it. Super chat. Kilgannon. He says, if Clappy takes over, JP's are going to the battery farm.
What the hell is a battery farm?
I don't know. The battery farm. I guess if you ever need to create I don't know,
a battery,
physical AI, I don't know.
Look at just looking at the casino. Bitcoin trades per minute are at 13, so fairly low volatility. Got the bounce off of that demand line. Well, what is this again? A moving average of price?
It's trend line, moving average, whatever you want to call it. It shows trend is green. The trend is up. You see it turns red and green.
Yeah.
I don't know what they're basing it off. It's all custom, but I call it a moving average and a trend line.
So got a nice bounce there, heading back into the supply zone. I think Bitcoin, I mean, just printed a green dot on the 15, and there it goes. It's breaking out. Okay, so this is Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. It's starting to break out of this the flag here. Candle closes in 7 minutes. What about the 10-minute and the 5? Oh, the 5 looks good. This is a 5-minute. Break above, close below. It might be time to go here on the 5-minute time frame. On Bitcoin.
Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go.
What does this trade look like, though? Let's take a peek.
You talking about the Matrix? That was a Matrix reference, by the way, the battery thing, like humans being batteries for AI, I guess.
The Matrix, bro.
Yeah.
So measured move, stop right here. It's a 4-1. That is a 4-1. I think I'm gonna put this one on breakout. Let's see. You know what's funny? This keyboard, I've had this keyboard for 4 years, never had to charge it. It runs. Yeah, what is this? What kind of sorcery is this?
I've never had to charge it.
Seriously, I've never had to charge this keyboard. Can anyone answer why or how that's even possible?
Made to go a long time. I don't know.
All right. So here, I'm not calling this a trailer, but I'm speculating. I'm speculating we get continuation here as we come back down. The 15-minute, I would like to see the 15-minute close above, but the 5 already did. And we got a green dot on the 15. So I'm going to pull the trigger on this one.
Oh.
This one's going to be a market buy with a stop below the lows here.
Wow.
Copy price. There's a stop loss. And TP was a measured move at 65,520, 65,560. So 65,560. What the hell was that?
I don't know.
All right, Bitcoin long. Well, I got a long and a short. I got an AAVE short and a Bitcoin long. Got clapped out of the Solana trade, so I guess we'll take that clap in there. And then the XLM trade right now is down 5%. What are you laughing at? Did the AI tell you a joke or something? Huh? Just laughing, just randomly.
Sorry, I sat water in my mouth. Sorry.
Nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right. Let's look at the bubbles.
The bubbles.
There we go. On the hour, Cosmos pumping for no reason at all. Up 2.8%. Pump.fun up 1.4%. Near protocol. Venice down 1.2%. I think Venice makes one more trip down to $12.50 and then skyrockets. We'll see. Mantle down. Hex. Wow, Hex. Didn't even realize it was still relevant. That is down. Let me mute this real quick. Where's the bubbles right there? Hex is down, and then Ken Network. Everything else is fairly flat on the day. But we should take a look at Venice. We should take a look at what else should we take a look
Ethereum, Solana, Hyperliquid, Zcash.
Oh, we should look at Zcash.
All the good ones, all the community alts. Folks, go ahead and get your alts in the chat.
What was that? Is that the AI telling us it's taking over?
Why everything got to be AI, huh?
No,
I got to be AI. I don't know, but give us the coins.
Tau. We should look at Tau. Tau's what an underperformer this has been, man. What shit price action. Can't get above the 50. Can't get above the 21. Definitely can't get above the 200. Here's what the weekly looks like.
It's the AI narrative is just from the stocks and investment perspective. It's just
wait till
slowing down. I'm not saying that AI is irrelevant.
No, I'm saying wait till Anthropic IPOs. It's just gonna be wild. When Anthropic IPOs.
So you think that's going to bring up all of AI investments?
If it okay, so
because I think it's gonna IPO at something high and it's going to sell off for 2 months, and so
well, that's what every IPO does. But that's what I'm saying. But the point of an IPO and why it would be bullish is if it comes in massively oversubscribed, then that shows the market that the appetite for AI is there, right? So I think that's what
I think everybody's expecting it, so it's already baked in for it to come in with a high valuation. I think if it came in with a low valuation, if all of a sudden they were like, it's only worth 150 million or whatever it is, billion or something stupid, then people might overreact and freak out. Like, yo, what? We thought this was whatever. So it's already a given. Just like we knew SpaceX was going to come in overvalued. We knew that every Coinbase was going to come in overvalued when it came out. And so it's already baked in. Like we already know Anthropic's going to be overvalued. And it's probably going to sell off for 2 months. And so I'm all about Tau. I think Tau's the most solid AI play. It's got the most upside, but you got right now. I mean, my personal opinion is that you just need AI stocks, like the big companies. You need Nvidia. Where's Nvidia right now? So I think you just need to revert. Right now, AI is just, it was a little, Tau was toppy when the guy from the All In podcast was pumping it. That should have screamed
Damn.
top on that one. What was that? What was that guy's name?
Jason Calacanis.
Yeah,
He was talking about Tau when it was already going down. So
yeah, but he started talking about it at the height. Like that's when he was like, I'm buying. And then that's
damn.
But where's Nvidia? Let's see. I think because let's go year to date. It's not doing too bad on year to date. 1 year doing well, 5 year obviously going to be. So Nvidia's up. What's the strongest AI stock? Because I know Nvidia is the graphic card.
AMD, SanDisk, I don't know.
the strongest AI stock.
Yeah.
AI stock. Everything with AI in the name.
Yeah, probably Nvidia.
What about ChatGPT? Don't they have an OpenAI? Are they public yet? Right?
I don't know. Are they? I don't think so. No, they're not.
No,
Not yet.
No.
Who's the one that went public?
Are any of them public right now?
One of them went public, didn't they?
Well, you can consider Gemini part of Google. I mean, the Alphabet. I mean, I guess that.
No,
But they encompass so many other things.
I thought there was one that went
Public.
public.
It's saying Nvidia, Google, AVGO. Which one is that?
AVGO is Broadcom.
Broadcom semiconductors. Yeah, so I mean, there's just a lack of publicly traded AI companies. It just feels like the narratives died down. Everyone was super overly excited about AI, and now it's just it's taking a back seat.
I mean, you're still gonna have. I don't think the AI narrative is going anywhere. I think what's gonna matter with the Anthropic is gonna be how much it's over. Is it oversubscribed? Right.
But
did it get more interest than they expected?
It's
because
like,
we know it's going to IPO at a high value, but at that high value, were people still trying to subscribe to the IPO? I think that's going to be.
So I look at emerging technologies in the same way. Like you can look back at the internet, right? It's not that the internet was fake. Everyone knew that the internet was gonna be big, but then you had the internet, the .com bust, right? It's just because there was so many companies that were trying to grab investments on internet. Nobody knew which play to go, right? Nobody knew like, hey, Amazon and Google are gonna be the winners. There was a ton of other crap floating around. But ultimately, there was a big flush out because there was just too much money in a bunch of pretenders. And so I think that's where we're at here on AI. I think that there's just tons of money pouring into all of these different AI companies. Maybe I think it's a little overvalued for where it is. And I think there's gonna be a flushing out. And then from the flushing, you'll get the real AI winners. In the same way that the .com flushed out, and then you had the real internet companies, the ones that had actual value, that were providing value, those are the ones that came out of the ashes. And I mean, it's something we've seen time and time again on emerging markets, right? And so, yeah, I mean, maybe we're there, maybe we're still inflating the bubble, but at some point, Like you can't just keep pumping tons of money into a market, have it grow in massive valuation and not expect some kind of massive pullback or popping or at least flushing out of the pretenders, right? We see it in crypto is the best example. You got Bitcoin, it's like it's the truth, whatever. You get a bunch of altcoins, the market bubbles, and then you flush out all the pretenders, and then what comes out of the ashes? ETH, Solana, then it bubble pops, then you get it out of the ashes, the real players. That's how the markets move. And so, I don't know, man. I think seems a little toppy to me on AI, dude.
We don't
Little
know.
toppy. Little toppy.
Why are you looking around? We know it's you.
I hate to tell y'all, man. Y'all wanna be on this AI?
They should
hype?
have never gave me buttons. Sorry. All right.
I know you don't want me to talk bad about Clappy and Clapperella.
Yeah, boo.
You know,
Yeah, let them be, man. They're here to assist us.
he's got one way. He's probably got like AI like speaking through his headphones right now.
Yeah,
He wired it,
I like it.
so always whispering.
It's prompting me constantly.
That guy in the chair,
He's retarded.
boo him.
No, it's probably saying something like you're retarded.
All right, what's going on with Bitcoin, man? What's happening?
Bitcoin's consolidating, man. I think it's going to have a big move, and I think that move is going to be up. But why is everyone just randomly fucking laughing? I don't get it. Is it something funny? Like fucking, if something's funny, say it. What's funny? What are you laughing at? Laughing at the chat? Are you laughing at like what?
I can't do it.
Why do you gotta be in the know? Can't people just laugh without having to explain?
No, when it's just random laughing all the time. Like, what are you laughing at?
Davis in the restaurant. You over there. What are you laughing about?
I'm not doing a show with people in the restaurant.
Whoa.
I'm not doing a show with random people in a restaurant. All right, you guys can laugh. Okay, go ahead. Welcome to Laugh City Crypto, where we
If you're not
randomly laugh.
laughing, you may be part of the joke.
Been swing trading CYS. Back in. Up 35 bucks.
Nice.
And then ticking a long on AKE as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
A couple longs here.
Let's see. Is it time to start longing crap coins again? Bitcoin is going to break out?
Perhaps. I cut my short off in profit.
Okay.
I don't know. This right here is concerning to me, man. I don't know what way we're going here. We're just chopping sideways here. I feel just as uncomfortable longing as I do shorting, so I'm just messing with the alts today.
Yeah. I'm kind of with you on that.
Yeah.
I'm looking at Pengu. I'm looking at
Pingu.
Pepe. Yeah. It's all pretty bullish right now. A little bit too bullish. A little bit too bullish if you're not already in the trade. Here's whip. Looking at whiff. Going a bit sideways. Yeah. Bearish. Is it rounding the bottom? Maybe a rounded bottom coming on whiff. I don't know. I'm just going through some of these meme coins on BitUnix. That's right. They have, you could just go ahead and, look through the categories. Meme, AI, whatever it is. People. Okay. A little stiffy there. What are we doing here, man? I can't do it. I can't do it. Back to the quality assets. How about that NQ? Is it time to long the NQ yet? Nope. Bearish consolidation likely going lower. That's what I'm seeing. But it's not coming down as aggressive as it was earlier. Take a look at gold and oil. I'm still in an oil trade, man. Am I doing okay? How are we doing in the oil trade? Gold still looking like it wants to come down, but, getting double bottoms, triple bottoms now, testing the support line. How about oil? What's going on with oil? Oil doing nothing. Came down in the short term. Consolidation, sideways, chop. I'm seeing chop in oil right now. But it did get a big move. Yep. Let's go ahead, scan those altcoins.
IBM is interesting. Look at I don't think I've ever seen a sharp change in a 200 moving average like this one. Have you ever seen something like that?
No, not normally. No.
It's damn. So it's at the 200 on the 2 hour. So big move up. It attempted to reclaim it here, lost it, came back down, is approaching this level again. Still in a bear flag, a larger bear flag.
Damn.
Started to roll over. Is this a BS relief rally before we see another spill off on IBM? Let's look at some of the fundamentals here. Short float is 2.37%. Did any ratings come in? No, not since July 22nd. IBM's experience. IBM makes surprise move in NVIDIA AI race. What is this? IBM makes surprise move in NVIDIA AI race. Is deepening its push into AI infrastructure with a $240 million multi-year deal to build a massive NVIDIA-powered inference cluster for Together AI. You're going to use IBM Cloud. Okay, so they're spending money. How does that relate to the price? I don't know if it does at all. Q3 26. Okay, so their last earnings came in below expected. Do we see a trend here? Not really. Let's look at short interest. So the short float is actually coming down. But the chart tells me that we should short. What would a trade setup look like for this one? Let's take a look. Short to 200 on the 2 hour. Volume decreasing. Stop. Put it above that volume POC. And where can we take this thing? Can we take it down here? It's a 3-to-1. About a 3.6-to-1. And what I'm targeting is I'm targeting this low here. Let's draw a fib. What if we drew a fib? What does that give us? Ooh, almost a 50% fib retracement level. What about a, oh my God, if we can get a gold pocket retracement, it's a 6-to-1. Who's that? Was that you?
It was me.
What'd you do?
What did I do? I just bailed on a BTC long. Why did I do that?
Yeah, why'd you do that? Looks weak.
It's still technically bullish consolidation. Trade's still valid. But I don't know, man. It's just, I feel like a mouse in a mousetrap.
Feel like a mouse?
Yeah.
In what way?
I think I need to go by the river, man.
Well, go ahead. Go by the river. I'm going to put in this IBM short.
Yeah, I got out close to break even there. Just, I don't know, man.
You're unsure.
Like, what are we doing? It's bullish and everything, but I mean, come on, man. I don't know. It feels like a trap still.
Okay. Well, I'm going to short IBM. I'm not going to risk too much, though. I'm going to risk a little. We'll go limit current price because I feel like every time I do a market order, I get a shit entry. Let's do stop there on a okay, I'll put that there for now. Stop on a short is there. And TP down at, let's do a gold pocket retracement, 215. 215. Ooh, it's almost a 10-to-1. $30 for 330. 35 for 400. 40 for 460. I like that. 24.13. Open short. Okay. I did. Oh, that's where price is right now. Let's go like that.
You doing a 30-minute? What time frame is this?
2 hour.
2 hour.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
2 hours short on IBM. Banking at the 200 MA holds. Risking very little for very a lot. And we're bringing this down to the gold pocket retracement of that big move up. So 215 was a number. There it is. 44 for 458. It's a clean 10-1. Very tight stop loss, so this might stop us out fairly quickly. But that was a very sharp turn on the 200 MA, and we're approaching it now. We already lost it once. Will we lose it again? That's what we're banking on here. So a little more speculative, but again, that's why we're risking very little here on the trade. The XLM trades in the green, 2%. AVE trades in the red, 16%. And then on breakout, AVE, and then I have a Bitcoin long open on breakout as well. And on BitUnix, I have the AVE short open, which is currently in the red. Those are my trades.
All right. Appreciate it.
What you got over there?
What do I have over here?
Oh, that's good, Rob. But
I
like to know what you got in. You got as well.
I ain't got too much going on right now. Rob probably has a fresher trades. What you got going on?
I was long in this, but I don't know. I just closed it out. $10 profit. I don't know. I wasn't vibing with it. So I had a long here. I entered in about here, or I entered in here-ish somewhere. It failed to rally. Saw this pullback. Looks like it kind of, I don't know. I wasn't happy with it. So I just exited this. This was uncomfortable. I got this one in a long. We'll see how this pig plays out. Ake, whatever.
Ake.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, God.
Come on, buddy.
Hey, move up.
Come on. Yeah, I wasn't vibing with the with this one, the CYS, just yet. I don't know, just a little indecision there on me. This one I got the AKE. We'll see.
Okay.
All
right, my friends. I think that'll do it for the show today. What?
I'm just
stretching.
Zen stretching. Yeah.
Zenching.
Yeah.
Guys, come back tomorrow. We got the founder of Breakout joining us. He is a trader himself. We'll get some TA from him. We'll also Glasses dude leading us to another crap trade. Don't take my trades, bro. It's all good, man. You don't gotta take my trades.
Take responsibility for your own trades.
Glasses dude.
Yeah.
Well, because there's only one guy with glasses. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, JP will be live later today. Tomorrow we'll have a special guest joining us. Might do a giveaway, maybe, no promises. Maybe give out another breakout account, which, by the way, the last one we gave out ended up getting into a funded account.
Hey.
So it's the luck of Sin City. Maybe you could be the next person. But anything else you guys want to say before I lead us down the path of exiting this stream? Thank you.
No, we good, baby.
Keep it positive. Protect your cheeks. See you later. I'm streaming early later, okay?
Early.
Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. We love and appreciate you. Have an amazing day, evening, and night.
Everyone except that Ronaldo guy. Thank you very much. Peace.